Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing expert, powerful trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Hello. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the show, the best trading show on all of YouTube land and social media everywhere. Welcome, everybody. Good morning to the chat, and special hello to Abhishek and Magnus, Nate, Trevor, Aaron, and everybody at MyFundedTV. We have an amazing morning, and of course, let's welcome the best co-host ever, Terry Trades. Hello. How is your morning so far?
It's great. I feel amazing. I feel so good to be back. How's your morning?
Well, as usual, I mean, just taking some trades here and there. A bit of a slow session in London and early New York, but I feel energized, recharged on the weekend, slept as much as I could. So it was okay. And I was definitely waiting for Monday because I know that today we have roundtable again, right?
Yes, we do. Absolutely. We have Pine Tree Trader and also Husk with us today. Let's get started. Let's welcome them.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
Hi, Pine. Hi, Husk.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Pine.
Good morning.
How was your weekend?
Pretty good. Just glad to be back home.
Let's go.
Yeah, so. I had a good weekend. I went to a demolition derby. I hung with all my fellow rednecks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Never been to one of those.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Sounds like fun.
It sounds fun.
They had a beer tent, so it was all good.
How was your vacation, Husk?
It was good, but like I said, I'm not a big fan of flying, so I always drive. So the drive can always be kind of rough, and plus we're traveling with pets. This was the first time we've ever took both of our pets. And I've always taken my one pet, but this time we took both, and she was just like it almost reminded me of having kids in my backseat because she was constantly growling at the other dog every time it touched her. It was literally like having kids in the backseat again.
That's intense. Well, welcome back, everyone.
Well, yeah.
Excellent. We're glad you're back and you're not having dogs fighting in the back.
Or you can bring them onto the, you can farm some likes for the channel, just next time bring dogs. That's it.
Yep. Nice.
So today is Monday. You are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Husk. And then at 10:30, we will have Corey and 4X Ike. And that's the schedule for today. Let's take a look at the charts.
Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at the charts. So just a quick look of what happened so far today. I was just talking about this earlier with Terry, and I kind of was staying today on the 5-minute chart. Wasn't really looking to do anything on the 1 minute, and it was quite relaxing, so especially on a Monday. But yeah, long story short, this is the 5-minute chart on NQ, and we were kind of hovering a little bit sideways here, taking out some swing highs and some buy side liquidity on a push during the London session. We've taken out Friday high 287 and was kind of thinking that maybe we can push higher to 357. That's also a swing high and the 1 hour supply zone high, but we didn't go up there. Instead, we kind of pushed, we spread liquidity there, and this candle will be interesting at 625. I think Trump was tweeting something or commenting something at that time about Iran, and then actually we spiked higher, and then the market actually, we were edging a little bit lower, but the target was it was clear that we're going for Asia low at 30,185. And I think everybody's kind of eyeballing with the new week opening gap, which is at 30,168.50, although it has repriced a little bit lower at the open. So I would say 166.25 on the micro. So I think the market really wants to see that level being taken out, but everything played out by the book. Actually, we had some relative equal lows at 185 that has been swept. Currently, we are seeing a bounce here. I can expect further continuation to the downside because there's just no structure here to be shifted. So either that or there has to be like a very strong V-shaped recovery all the way up to like the 280s and higher. So until that is not going to happen, I'd like to assume that we could continue lower to that new week opening gap high. So somewhere below the 170s, and then who knows. So for those of you who are holding a short, I had the short earlier. I closed it, but you know what? I would be holding a runner down to 168. Otherwise, supply demand zones wise, if those of you who are new, I kind of like those levels. I don't see anything. If I look to the left, I checked every time frame, so I'm not going to get you guys dizzy here by switching, but I checked everything. Not much happening. So hoping for the drop. And if this one is going to take a full reversal here, then I'm going to target the 1 hour supply zone high at 357. So that's the plan for NQ. And just a quick look on gold. Now, I did take a trade on gold earlier in London, and that was a good trade. I took a long position, which turned out to be a good one. A beautiful 5-minute textbook supply zone was up there at 44.65.8 on the micro. So I took that trade. And then earlier, also, I took a short as well as we were going down to a 5-minute fair value gap, because there was no other liquidity level, no other place to go to. And I kind of felt like gold wants to take some internal liquidity, which is exactly what happened. So we took that 5-minute level down there. It was only a 1-to-1 risk reward trade, but it was okay. And now that it has been swept, you know what? I think gold is still going to remain bullish. Well, hopefully, we have a Sunday high at 44.73. But again, no supply and demand zone to the left. I checked everything. It's really hard to say where this one wants to go. I would not be looking for anything currently on gold. There's just no structure here. If I would have to choose, I like to look for some long positions, but otherwise, really nothing I can go with. And on ES, we kind of swept some levels, both the high and the lows there. The same kind of candle appeared here at the 625. I do believe that was Trump saying something about Iran, that Iran should not be having any shape or form of nuclear weapon or something like that. But we will go into that. And I do know that the market started to react a little bit crazy for that news. We just repriced the new week opening gap here, so it's kind of interesting. Some of you might say that there's a divergence or SMT in between ES and NQ, so we might see a potential pop higher both on ES and NQ. We'll see if NQ will be able to hold this level and continue to drop lower. But you know, just be careful. I feel like after a rangy London session and early New York session, hopefully we can see some movement here. But you know, we'll be reactive as always. Thank you so much. That's all I have.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And Tom, you caught a short earlier. So did I.
Oh, yes.
I think Pine Tree Trader, you did too.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yep, caught a short.
Yeah, it was dropping nicely, by the way. And I kind of feel like I should have held it a little bit longer, but I wasn't really sure. But I do know, I mean, some people from my chat earlier, I was streaming, saying they were also short and kind of hoping that the gap will going to get repriced. Seeing that ES already did that kind of makes me feel that NQ wants to pop a little bit more higher, but we'll see.
Yeah, that's kind of how I feel. I think we're going to possibly push down, but I gotta wait for a little more confirmation. Just to, if I see a short, then that's what I want to be targeting, basically. If I see something, it's like, oh yeah, see if we can get that. I mean, the gap's not that big, so it's not like we opened up with like a 200 or 300 point Sunday night open gap. So hopefully we just go down there and reprice it, like you said, and so
hopefully
that's what I'm looking for.
Husk, are you looking for anything in particular?
To me, I think it's going to be one of these like scalping days. I don't know how comfortable I feel holding trades today, just because there's a lot of like hourly OBs kind of down to the south of us. I think if you can be patient and wait for us to get under the 150s and maybe look for a scalp down to like the 100s or even into the lower 30,000s, but below that, I feel like we're going to pop back up. I just hope it doesn't turn into one of those like where you just get that one good move in the morning, kind of like what I said last week, where we got that one good move in the morning, the rest of the day was horrible. Same exact thing last Monday. And plus, like I've always repeated in the past, I'm not a big fan of trading within 50 to 70 points of the previous day high. I feel like all my losses have always, if they come, it's always around the previous day high. Like always.
Yeah.
So we're going to try our best to stay away from that previous day high, unless make sure we're way back above the 30,300. So
okay.
yeah,
That
just
sounds
being
like a
Monday.
plan.
Yeah, just be Monday, be
Yeah.
safe. So, and plus we just ran that 9 o'clock 4 hour candle also. So we'll have to see what happens here.
I really like that you're on this panel with us because you're such a great reminder of risk. For you, with the way that you trade Husk, you're always thinking about risk first. Like, okay,
Oh, always.
every trade I put on, it's always you think of it as a loss first to help you.
Yeah, I'm always
Risk
considering
engine.
risk. Then I'm like, okay, what could we get? It's like risk, then target.
Yes.
Exactly.
And this
So-
is your secret for keeping an account for months and months and months. Like, what's the record that you've kept a funded account for?
I'm still trading. Well, don't get wrong. I have blown funded accounts, and usually my funded accounts usually get blown after I take a payout. And it's one of those ones where you still keep like a little buffer, and the buffer's only like $500 or $600. And that's the reason I struggle to keep those. So I need to really stop doing that. But the other couple funded accounts that I've taken like 4 or 5 payouts on those, I think I've had them since November of last year, but they've been
Oh my
just
gosh.
grind. But I trade small, so you just I've always traded on a budget, so I've never gone into trading to say if I've always looked at payouts as bonuses because I get other income from other places like from rental property, from working, then our business, and so I always look at payouts as bonuses. I'll get a couple of $1,000 extra bonus this month. Nice.
I just love that. That's amazing. Yeah, payouts
Yeah,
as
that is good.
bonuses. That's
Yeah,
good.
payouts are bonuses to me. So it's not like, oh, I didn't get an extra payout this month to pay whatever bill you made trying to pay with it. So
Cool.
kind of takes
I
that
think-
pressure. It takes that pressure off if you're
It
trying
does.
to make a living doing this.
Yes. Almost everyone we have talked to always recommends keeping a day job for this
Yeah.
purpose of not feeling that pressure to trade to every single month have to make profits to pay your bills. This sounds like it really works. Regarding news, you guys, I don't really see anything on the schedule. No, not really.
Yeah, there's
Nah,
nothing
not
special.
today.
Yeah,
I
I
think
checked that too.
I think the biggest news this week is probably the FOMC minutes coming up Wednesday.
Yep.
Oh yeah,
That's
yeah.
not
That's the thing.
I think that's really the only big news this week.
It's not much
Yes.
earnings either. Not,
Okay.
Well,
I do see headlines that did come out regarding the war.
Oh,
Can
yeah.
you go over those headlines, Tom?
Yeah. I also wanted to check that. So there were some headlines. Actually, earlier, there was a senior Iranian official saying all Iranian entities will be prepared to escalate tensions in the Hormuz Strait and the region of diplomacy. And the region if diplomacy fails. So they're prepared to continue with the fight. And of course, they're saying pressuring the US or relying on mediators to reach a lasting peace is not realistic. So that was definitely negative. And that happened actually a little bit earlier. So I think that was the main cause of the drop, somewhere around 8:30. So this headline came out at 8:27. Also, some other comments reassuring the US or relying on mediators. Okay, I said that. And Iran has decided to shift its policy from defensive to a fully offensive one. Now, that was also at the same minute. So that definitely was taken hard by the market. Also, like Trump was commenting about Iran, says like Trump on Iran, I'm in no hurry. So he's not in a hurry on Iran. And obviously there was some other comments earlier from Trump. I can't find it, but he was saying something about its nuclear weapons. Anyway, the tension is getting definitely higher in between the countries there. And yeah, it seems like the issue is not going to be resolved today and tomorrow. And of course, the experts, I was actually reading another article the other day, actually on the weekend, again, by some fundamental experts saying that unfortunately, the situation is ran out of time, because even if there would be any kind of agreement, there are going to be issues in the supply chain. So higher crude oil prices, higher gas prices, energy crisis is still on the board, and they need to solve this real fast. Yeah.
Oh, this is very interesting. I did see a headline this morning that said the reserves, the U.S. reserves, oil reserves, is at a staggering, like, alert low. So I wonder if that will also put on pressure on the crude market. Like, there could be potential buying. It'll be really interesting. This morning in pre-market, there were so many different headlines. It was like the market would like instantly go up, instantly go down, and we're just kind of all over the place. Trump was speaking this morning too. So it'll be interesting to see if the market does end up in the red today. I'm not sure. Friday, we had such a bullish day.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about how we're so close to all-time highs again in NQ?
We will hit it, by the way, just saying quickly here. So I think we will hit it, maybe not today, but during the week, I think we have a really good chance. The market, creeped its way up to these levels. So we had a huge pullback over the last few weeks. And I would say, like, here's an opportunity again to make history. So I think there's a chance for making new all-time high, just saying.
Okay. Then I won't try and short all-time high.
I mean, we can, but who knows?
I'm pretty sure the market's going to move
Maybe
up.
in pew trades.
Yeah, exactly.
The market will probably go up the rest of the year, being a midterm year. Then,
good point.
Then after that, you'll probably get more of a level off, either big move back down.
And
If you think about it, what is it? Was it last year or the year before we had our big sell off in November? We sold off like 1,000 or 2,000 points before we rallied again.
Yeah. Yeah, also, like, we have the seasonable tendency, like, again, like, as we're going into the end of the year, bigger investors in the stock market like to see a quick rally just before booking some profits. So there might gonna be sending it higher. I mean, as I said, not tomorrow, not next week, but like during September, October, just thinking, sending it higher. Okay. And then, quick drop before Christmas, gotta buy those presents.
That's true.
Yeah. Have to lock in the profits.
Exactly.
How are we doing on the likes?
Oh yeah, let's see the likes, everybody. Last few seconds before I refresh the page here. 133, everybody. We love that. Thank you so much. Thank you. The new standard right now, because we're doing the roundtable, we need to reach 350 by 10:30, everybody. That's the new job. That's the new goal. Thank you so much for helping out the channel. We're getting closer to that 70K. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, please hop over to YouTube and smash the like. Make sure to subscribe. Please share the stream link everywhere in social media. That also helps the algorithm a lot, by the way. And thank you so much. I know we're going to hit that 70K really soon. The biggest giveaway ever in the history of MyFundedTV. And of course, I'm going to do the dance as well. And there's so much fun is going to happen, guys. Just make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to like the stream. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I can share the current promos.
Let's go.
Let's go. The rapid end of day is here. This is limited time. We do not know how long this will last for. One-time fee, that's it. There's no rebilling, so you can feel free to take as much time as you would like on this eval. Once you're funded, it is a 90-10 split. There's no DLL, and also end of day drawdown, you guys, in the eval and in SimFunded, up to $10,000 per day in payouts. Using code YouTube, it is 20% off. So make sure you snatch these up. We can have up to 3 of them in SimFunded. We can have more evals, but up to 3 of the end of day rapids. You have to be careful when you go check out. Make sure, if you want this plan, make sure you actually select the rapid end of day. For this one, we still have the old rapid I shouldn't call it old. That sounds so mean. The legacy rapid account. It is still 20% off. Also, the pro accounts are 30% off and the builder accounts are 40% off. So those are the current sales.
Thank you so much, Terry. Yeah, there's just make sure everybody to type in the code YouTube. It will always get you the best available discount. It doesn't matter what account you choose, YouTube code is going to give you the best discount ever. Thank you so much. It makes us happy, it makes us smile, makes us better, bigger, stronger. So thank you.
Yes. Wild Juices says, I want an account with some age. Yes. It's like fine wine.
It's fine wine.
Let's go.
So far, the way I see it is that NQ is getting a little bit, I'm not saying weaker, but it seems like that V-shaped recovery is not happening yet. Hopefully it will not happen. I'm not in a trade, but everything looks good for another leg down below to the 170s. And I'm going to switch out to the 1 hour chart just to see what else could be down there. So it's really clean, by the way, on the 1 hour. It does look like it's ready to go down, ready to fill that gap. And that's just repricing it with the wick, like rebalancing, closing below the 150s would be amazing because we have another hourly fair value gap not too far below, starting at 126. So yeah, potential drop would be awesome. And we still have that huge push from last Thursday. So that was really strong. So I wonder if the market wants to go down again below that Friday low, which is at 30,025. Don't forget, everybody, until we're not kind of stretching away from that 30K, we could be testing it, back and forth. So here it was, after this push, we actually missed the retest of the 30K. So we might going to see that as well. Just, possibility. Anyway, we'll see.
We shall see. Yeah, I'm kind of eyeballing that Friday low too. The range on Friday was so small if you look at the entire range. And I know we did take out the high of that range, but because that range is so small, I'm wondering if we'll also potentially take out that low. What do you think? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe. I think we can take that. Let's see. Overall from the open to the low, when was that? Yeah, the AM session on Friday was giving us a decent 250, 60-ish of range. So I would say maybe it wasn't the smallest range on Friday, but aiming for that's actually an AM session low. It has the potential for it. So how far are we from that? 178 points. It can easily go. It's really hard to say. I'm not sure I want to. Maybe I will have to go down to the 1 minute chart to do that pew trading. But if I go down to the 1 minute, just look at that. Terrible candles on the 1 minute right now. Overlapping, wicks up and down, no clear movement. I cannot even, sometimes, as you all know it, I like to do some front running of a level, but since there's nothing here to go for, I'm just a little bit scared. Now, looking at the 1 minute, as we had this drop on the news from Iran, we still have a fair value gap up at 250-ish. Let's see, the level is 251.25. So we'll be, definitely going to be watching for that level as well. So 1 minute fair value gap at exactly 251.25 on the micro. If we trade higher than that swing high that we just had at 910, I might going to jump in and go for that 251 as the regular pew trade, but I don't know. We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do like that about our pew trades because we can go either direction. It's so fast.
But I really want to see it also drop down. So if you ask me okay, but where to go? Look at this, we are in the middle. We can definitely reach higher to reprice that 251 level, or it's just an instant drop to below 170. So I can't front run this one because it's really 50-50 right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got amazing news, you guys.
Oh, we want to hear it. Yeah, we want to hear it.
Amazing.
We want to hear it.
Okay. Okay. I can share my screen.
All right.
This sale is still working. I don't know if that's a glitch or not, you guys, but this sale is still working.
It's a glitch.
It's a glitch. If you haven't used it yet, make sure you use it. Using code YouTube, you get 50% off any size, Rapid, Builder, Pro Plan, any size. So 2 uses of that. It's still working.
Guys, it's a glitch. Take it while you can. It's a glitch.
It's still working. Go for it.
I'm telling you, it's a glitch. It has to be a glitch. By the way, I jumped into a buy. I told you guys
Let's go.
I'm a little bit, and I jumped in right at the top, 234.50. Amazing entry on my end. Amazing, I must say. Yeah, go on, Husk.
I'm saying, did you? I know you said you just started watching the 5 minutes more. Did you take that off the 5-minute bull flag?
Yeah, no. I just jumped in on the 1 minute here. Yeah.
Okay, if you just started watching the 5 minutes, go over and look at this 5-minute bull flag. These are really nice entry points off of these 3 candle bull flags. A lot of times you get on the 5 minutes since you just started watching the 5 minutes.
Nice. Okay. 5-minute bull flags. Oh yeah. I mean, it looks great, by the way.
It's a lot cleaner.
Yeah, it is clean. It is clean. We the reason, by the way, to risk it for the biscuit on my end is there was this bearish pin bar at 910, and the 1 minute candle, and I zoomed in on the 1 minute chart here, and I'm ready to take a heavier risk on this because this account is in a nice profit, and this is an evaluation account before anybody goes nuts like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? The thing is, we closed higher, so this 1 minute candle closed 228, so that was the signal for me. So we closed higher than that swing high, and I just want to see it to tag, where's my TP, 249. So 249 is going to be at 4 micros. Oh my gosh, 4 micros in this. I do have to put a stop loss on here because I'm going to get stopped out easily. It's a risky one, I know, but I'm up $700 in profit on this eval, so I'm okay to risk about 200 on the. I thought that we're gonna spike up there, but NQ saw what I'm doing, and they said, no, Tom, not now, not today. So maybe next time.
Wow. Look at that spike. It just spiked and it got rejected right away.
Yeah, I rejected immediately. It was looking good with the close, and this is what exactly I was waiting for. But it's fine. It's okay. As I said, this eval is up almost 700 in profit. I'm okay to sacrifice nearly $200 on this.
Yeah.
It's okay. So that's why end of day trailing is amazing on these rapid accounts.
Exactly. That's what I do too, Tom. I know, Pine, you do that too. Like when we're up in profits a lot, like we'll risk more. We'll take some of that profit and risk more. And this is your probe trade, your famous.
Yeah, this is the probe trade, guys. So, I'm not worried at all yet. So I'm okay. I'm all right.
Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Everybody, don't worry. It's fine.
Yeah, I've been holding a short since 8 for about an hour. I'm been short from over 240, but I'm just in with 2 micros. So I'm just kind of like swinging for the fences to see if we could push down into that gap fill, but I don't really know what's going to happen here at the market open. It could just rip up 300 points and I'll be stopped out, but
and it's typical here. And by the way, guys, I know I took a heavier risk here, but just saying, I'm only being aggressive like this on my evaluation accounts. I would not take the same trade on a funded account. But, obviously, hashtag for the stream. No, I mean, I definitely love these trades. So we'll see what happens. At least this is going to be the probe trade.
Guys. Good luck today.
Good luck.
It is open. Good luck. Ooh, it's kind of wild right now.
Almost. Okay, come on.
Nice.
Go.
Go. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go. TP taken.
Yay!
All right.
W for Tom.
Getting closer to that funded account. All right. Okay, so we repriced 251, and if you guys are in favor of the shorts, this would be the ideal turning point for NQ, just to drop it immediately, right? This could be that fake out move. So
so I'm still in. I think so. One of the things I've been trying to do lately, especially on funded accounts that when I'm over the buffers, so is trade smaller, which is kind of crazy for me to say, but yeah, I've been trading a lot of micros, and then just doing some copy trading to hopefully. I've been calling it the multiplier, just with the copy trader, and then over the buffers, so like the daily payout buffers, like the end of day rapid accounts. You can get 3 of those bad boys, and then once you're over the buffer, it really doesn't take too much with some micros during the New York Open to get a nice little daily payout. So that's something that I've been trying to do a lot lately, and just kind of slinging around those micros during the New York Open. And I can say it's a lot less stressful.
Oh yeah.
It's a lot less stressful.
Quickly in and out. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not like hyper focused and clenched to the seat and getting white knuckles holding the mouse, it's but like, it's the trick is just like you got to get over those buffers first. So I do still like to trade aggressively to get up over that, what I call step 2 on the funded account, or the step 2 of the eval, essentially, is where you got to get up over that hurdle. And then once you get up over that hurdle on the funded account, then you can just say, okay, let's just focus on getting daily payouts and paying ourselves back. And so that's what I've been trying to do lately.
Nice. Well, yeah, that's a good plan, by the way. I love it. And yeah, that's a good strategy. And speaking of getting in and out quickly, I'm still kind of hoping that this was just a fake out move up to that 250-ish level. And you know what? If we trade below the opening range low, I would even jump into a short in the hope that this one might gonna go lower. You know what? I'm jumping into a short here. I jumped into a short.
Too. I'm short.
All right, taking off 3 micro if it goes to 210.25, leaving a runner. So 4 micro in heavy right now on this one. Let's go, NQ. Drop it a little bit lower. Come on, NQ.
Drop it like it's hot. Yeah,
nice.
Okay, so, 3 micro taken off. Yeah.
So I'm looking for 156. So pretty big swing here, about 90 points.
156. So you're looking for the overnight low to be broken. My TP is at 176, which
my
is
TP is 175.50. So, but took off 3 micro. So this is basically a free trade. I'm going to put it to break even. So this is a runner. I'm feeling relaxed, and I'm just kind of feeling relaxed.
Go.
So let's go lower.
Isn't that the way to trade? Just like
relaxed. I mean, whenever I put the trade to break even, as long as it's not taking out my break even stop right now, that feels like amazing. But then you have to there you go. Got taken out. It's fine. It was break even. This trade, this micro was break even, but I'm just glad I was able to book 3 micro short there. But yeah, what is going on here? What is this? Getting inside the range again? What is NQ doing? I don't know.
Big spike up on YM at the open. YM, interesting, has been curling down or just fading lower ever since it went, made the all-time highs. Last week, it just kind of stair-stepped down on the daily, which is kind of interesting, where NASDAQ is doing its own thing. YM's been stair-stepping on the daily chart to the downside, but still hasn't filled the big 300-point open gap from 3 Sundays ago now.
Yeah.
It's just way down there, but it has been inching its way down that way.
You've been watching that level.
I've been waiting.
It is locked in. Yeah.
So I'm wondering if we'll go fill the entire gap from Friday's closing price. There's about 60 points left to get there. It looks like it wants to.
It does look like it, and I kind of feel like I want to jump in again, but
Yeah.
there is. Go. I really want to try this one, but I don't know. Oh, look at that. It's going to go.
5-minute orb people are taking on the sell side.
Or
You're so close to that overnight low. So close to taking it out. Ooh. It's 166. Come on.
I'm scared a little bit now, but you know what, guys? If you are in short, I think it's looking really amazing, and I'm rooting for everybody to get below this 170s, way below, by the way. So
I'll be so sad if it, because it broke the low of the 5-minute orb. If it reverses immediately and take out the high, wah wah.
Yeah, I feel like everyone is anticipating the open gap down there, and to be repriced, and then it's just Nasdaq's playing its games. It's just like, nah, we're not gonna like make it easy on you guys. You guys want to oversize your trades? We're just gonna push it up 50 points, and it's like
Husk is laughing.
Yeah, I shorted with you guys, but I only got 1 micro left, so trying to.
Ooh, you
nice.
scaled out.
Good, good.
Yeah, just
W's
because
for Husk.
as long as we stay inside this 15 minutes, I really don't want us back out of this 15-minute candle, but it looks like we're trying to get back out of it.
Dang, look at that. Okay, it just went and tested VWAP again.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm flat still. I need to check something on the 5-minute. Okay, there's nothing on the 5. Okay, might be something there. There might be something on the 5-minute, which is higher. I do see a bearish order block, aka supply zone, higher, but hold on. Let's see. That's on the 5-minute. Oh, yes. 295.50. Okay. I have to watch that level. 295.50. I'm going to be watching that. I'm not jumping in, but I'm going to be watching that level, the 295.50. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. If this one starts, I have to go down to the one. Oh my gosh, I have so many lines. I'm getting blinded here. Okay, so 295.50. Yeah, my chart is all over. I have to clean this up. So 295.50 up there, London low. That's fine. Actually, I don't need London low anymore. I'm gonna get this off. Asia low got taken out. I'm gonna get that off too. I mean, those levels are not important anymore, for me at least. So yeah, we're in the middle, everybody. It's hard to say anything. What an open is this? Come on, NQ. Do we need to really make a call? So
we've been barcoding lately, it feels like around the open. Yeah.
Globex has been horrendous. Like
So sorry.
Oh yeah, it's just the Globe. Go ahead, Husk.
I thought you were about to be finished. I was asking, did the Nano start today? Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you there, Pine.
I don't think the Nano started today. I think the options trading earlier, the options market with SIBO opening trading, I believe, an hour ahead of time. And then also a curbside session for about 15 minutes after New York close. I think the Nanos come out on the 24th. Let me confirm.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about that, Pine. I thought you were finishing your sentence and I jumped in there real quick. Sorry about that.
Good. No, I was just saying that the Globex open lately has just been horrendous to trade. I mean, even going into Asia last night, it wasn't good at all. Price action, it was just really, really bad. So it's very summertime-ish, the seasonality lately. It's just been really, really, really bad. So hopefully we can get some more volatility for the nighttime session as well.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah,
Come on, get down there.
Oh, almost there.
Oh my gosh. You're still in?
I'm still in 176.
Oh my gosh, Terry, come on.
It missed it by like a tick, I feel like. By 2 ticks.
Oh my gosh. Come on, NQ.
Come on,
finish
NQ.
this, NQ. Come on.
It'll get there.
I'm sure. You know what? For Terry, I'm jumping into for
I don't
Terry.
really know it.
Let's do it.
Don't do it.
Really?
I jumped in as well. Actually, I'm adding more. I'm super heavy. I'm 5 micros in this trade.
Go.
Let's go!
W.
Oh, let's go.
50 points.
Come on, gap fill. Get down there.
Way to go, Tom.
Come on.
Guys, I am really okay with the profits. I don't tell this anyone. I did take this trade on a funded account accidentally anyway, but because I copied this to a funded account anyway.
It was an accident, Tom.
It was an accident, and I don't want to talk about it. So the thing is, it worked out.
Accidental win.
Sure it was.
Sure.
So I'm covering my short. I'm just nervous, but I think we do fill that gap. Nice $1,500 daily payout today, so we'll take that.
Wow, let's go.
And I'm telling you right now, I'll show it, I'll tweet it out, but like just taking just micros, guys. It was just micros. So, but copy trading across daily payout accounts, right? So it can really, really add up. And right now, take advantage of it. I mean, MyFundedFutures got those rapid end of day accounts on sale. So when you use code YouTube, so take advantage of it. get over that buffer and then start locking in those daily payouts. I'm telling you right now, it'll change your life. The daily payouts, it will.
Yes. It does. I can second that, because guys, it's just so amazing. Not just the fact knowing that MyFundedFutures is might be one of the fewest platforms out there, maybe the only one that you can say like you're definitely gonna get your payout. By the way, you're never ever have to worry about that. And knowing the fact that not just the fastest payout in the whole industry, like milliseconds, guys, milliseconds, you get the money. But like requesting it on a daily basis, I mean, with the 90% profit split, by the way, on the Rapid, then this is why Rapid became my favorite. It's really the feeling. It's just the closest that you can get, as you know, to a real cash account. You know, it's like almost having a real cash account, really, guys. I love that. It's just amazing. So. Definitely. I do know that everybody loves the pro accounts as well, and I do think it's amazing too, but I definitely got hooked on the Rapid accounts.
Yeah, so what happened with me is just I mean, I think so personally, I think these pro accounts with MyFundedFutures are the best account on the prop streets. I really do. It's just I found myself getting caught trying to run up those big numbers, and I says, well, I got to really take a step back and start going back to the base hits and what's, you know, keeps me around for the longevity. And so I said, you know, let me see if I can get those daily payout accounts. Let me see if I can start locking in. You guys saw I locked in a bunch of builder payouts over the last few weeks, and there weren't like massive days. It was just $200-300 days. That's all it was. But you just keep that consistency up and start taking those base hits. And then if you can copy trade across a few accounts, that kind of multiplies it as well. Of course, can be a double-edged sword where the multiplier you could have a losing day, and that's really important to say, well, I need to walk away if I'm right on the day, or walk away if I lose 3 trades in a row or something like that. But you can really take advantage of that. So it's nice.
100%. I agree.
I thought I was about to get stopped out on my runner here, but I'm trying to stay right above this opening 15-minute candle. So this is kind of why I have my target to where I have it. Yeah, we're just in this one micro. I wasn't too. I just took the second one off because I wasn't sure if we get back above this 15 minutes, and hopefully maybe we can add one more contract in if it starts pushing back down. This way it kind of limits, hold on to some of our profits.
Yeah, I also jumped into a trade here, but only one micro long position, and I'm just curious if we can hold above that first presentation gap and go for the 5 in the supply zone. I'm okay to risk it because I'm back to an eval here, and the thing is, I'm just curious if we can go to 295. But again, I'm just risking, I don't know, like $100 on this, so that's fine. But it seems like we're going lower, so no biggie.
Yeah, but the interesting thing is that MNQ did make a new session low. NQ did not. It's definitely kind of playing those games. I feel it wants to fill that open gap, maybe. MNQ. I'm just really surprised it didn't do it on that surge down. That push down, off that about 4 minutes ago. But it's trying.
Yeah, so added one more at the bottom of the 15 minutes. So if you guys ever notice, I play with inside that opening 15-minute candle. So below the 15 minutes, we're looking for shorts. Back above it, we're looking for longs. So it's just playing off the 15 minutes. And if you look at that very first candle, that if I bring it down, where did we push up to? I mentioned this a few times in the past. If we have yet to run that 50% of that first 15-minute candle, that's where we went to 8 o'clock. We went to the 50% of that 50%.
Is this the 15-minute, the orb candle, the pre-orb?
Yeah, it's like the 9 o'clock to 9:15 15-minute candle that I play off of.
How did you discover this?
This one guy does it on the ES, similar to on the ES, but the ES is usually a little bit cleaner. It's not as volatile, but the NQ can be a little crazy sometimes. Anything you do on the NQ is a little crazy. So
It
as
is.
long as I stay inside the 15 minutes, we'll hold it. This is kind of what you see Methodical doing, but he's taking the breakouts. Where a lot of times, if you're good at this and trust a trade, if you can get comfortable shorting green candles on some of these pullbacks, that's the way to get the best entries. But I struggle doing that. I don't know why. It's just hard for me to say, let's go short when this thing's moving up. But you just have to trust it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easier to trust with smaller size. I feel like if you're trading a micro, it's so much easier just to be like, I trust this. If it doesn't work this time, next time I put it on, hopefully it works. Like just trusting the long run of many trades versus if you size so big, it's like, it's so hard to trust it because you can blow your account on one trade, which is like,
I'm really glad you brought this up because that's usually the problem with the trust issue with your system, especially with new traders. Like they start with a system, and by the way, there's a lot of systems and a lot of strategies that could be profitable if you manage risk properly. But they oversize, of course, and the first thing that gets their mind, and I was in the same situation. Like, oh, this entry model, this system sucks. It's just not good. Oh, I'm going to switch to another one. You just need to leave enough room for the edge to play out, obviously. And obviously, if you oversize, you're just going to use up that maximum loss limit. So you got to start small either way, especially if you're on that brand new account. So yeah, strategy hopping, as always, is definitely not a good thing to do. So.
It's so tempting to strategy hop because when it stops working, like let's say you take 3-4 losses in a row, it's so tempting to be like, oh, this just isn't working.
Because we're always looking for the next best thing, like, oh, I want to get something new. I want to get something more. But it doesn't matter. It's always about risk management. Yeah.
Yes. And I heard you say, let your edge play out. And whether it plays out or not, we don't know unless we give it a fair shot. Like unless we really let it just do its thing.
And enough room, obviously. And if you're trading with minis, which is possible, of course, if you know what you're doing, if you're experienced, like Pine Tree here, he knows what he's doing. But if you're brand new, you got to leave enough room on that one particular account. Let it be just an eval or a funded, but you got to start, especially on an eval, 1 micro, 2 micro, you got to leave enough space because otherwise yours is going to keep, getting new accounts over and over. And you're going to say like, oh, all the strategies are, bad out there. There's nothing that works because you didn't really, let your edge play out with proper risk management. So
yes. We are kind of barcoding in this area. Benji says still enough range to destroy accounts. LOL.
Yeah. Oh, 100%. Yeah.
Usually when I tell people when it comes to over leveraging it's almost like I did this in my early kind of beginning trading is like you would be over leveraged. It's almost like you would have to be perfect on every trade. And there's just no such thing as being perfect every single trade. It almost like to the point where like if you're watching someone upstream and they take a loss, like we're not supposed to take losses. I'm like, losses is part of trading. You almost have to get to the point where trading losses don't affect you. You're just like, oh, another loss.
Yeah. Exactly.
You almost just have to brush it off and move on to the next trade. And if you're not over leveraged, it's not that big of a deal. But if you are over leveraged, then you have to learn to deal with the consequences of it. So right now I'm probably gonna get stopped out on my 1 micro. But we'll see what happens. Yeah.
You booked all those other profits on the other micros, right? Like this is just your
runner?
I
actually went in about 5 or 6 micros while ago on the short. We hit the first 10 points. It's an eval, so this wasn't a funded. Funded is strictly 3 to 4 micros across the board. Yeah. But evals, I will go in a little bit heavy. Not, I won't say heavy, but double the size maybe.
I want to see Husk just trade big size one day just for fun.
I've considered that on a larger account. But you got to think most of the accounts I trade are 25Ks. And that's the reason why I go in small. Because I've just trading small, it kind of takes away from that mentality that I need to make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 kind of, it just helps your confidence.
It can get addicting, the
Oh yeah.
seeing really big numbers on your screen, and then you start to feel like every day should be like that.
Right.
And then you can force trades, and it's like it's just that's not how it works.
Mm.
For me, when I think about past months, past years, every month there's typically one or two trades that are just the big money makers. Like when I look back, right? And then it's so easy to screw up though, because when you're winning on those days, it's like these massive wins, and then the market changes. The market conditions always changing, right? We'll go from big volatility to low. Like right now, we're in a low environment, and as you can see, like this explains why we've been barcoding so often around the open too. And it's so easy to not shift how you're trading. Yeah. And how much risk you're putting on.
I took a long from 221, by the way, just saying like 278 is going to be TP1 and 293 is going to be TP2. 2 micros here, not a big deal, but I'm seeing that we're kind of getting some support on this bullish order block, which started from 943, and the first presentation gap is kind of acting up as possible support here. So I'm hoping that we can take out these highs at somewhere around, it's not going to be accurate, but somewhere around 278 or something, those 278.50, and then I have the 5-minute supply zone at 295. I'm very confident at this point, maybe I will not be in a minute, but I'm very confident that we should be sweeping that 280 up there. We'll see. Yeah.
We shall see.
That's what I'm going to wait on my longs and see if we can print above the previous day high, then maybe target the 340s, the 350s, that previous 4-hour high.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
But we'll have to be patient. This is kind of also what we brought up earlier where I was talking about you may only get that one good move in the morning, and then the rest of the time is just going to be choppy until probably after the top of the hour.
How many times you trade gold, by the way, Husk?
I've only tried gold a few times, and that was only because of Methodical Man was doing the one gold setup thing. But it wasn't even me thinking about what to do. It's like, okay, Methodical, where are we entering at? It was more or less one of those type of setups with the gold. So no experience with the gold. The only thing I really ever take trades on is probably NQ 90% of the time, 95. Then the other 5% is maybe dabble with the ES.
Do you guys think that the different markets like gold or NQ or even currency markets, like the same type of price action patterns acting differently on those markets? So what I'm trying to say is, are these markets reacting differently for the same patterns or not? Or you can find the same pattern everywhere and you can do the same exact thing, it's going to do the same, or it has the same statistics or edge. I don't know about this.
I've never watched the other markets, so I couldn't really give no advice on that. I know the NQ is similar. I know Pine has traded multiple markets.
Yeah, I mean, I always feel like, see, gold for me is a little bit tricky. I always feel like sometimes inside bars work really well, but oftentimes, because I like to trade on momentum and look for those breakouts and breakdowns, and so gold oftentimes will just reverse it. Like it'll act like it wants to break down and then just pops right back up, and so it does like the reversals all the time. That's the thing. So I like to look for the fair value gaps on the gold, like the 50% retracements, and then look for bounces, or like on the 5-minute chart, there's an indicator called the Finet fair value gap. Guys, by the way, like I'm having a technical issue, so I can't share my screen. So
no problem.
That's why. So I just wanted the people in the chat probably like, what the heck's going on? But yeah, so we have the Finet fair value gaps on the trade of 8, and you could put that indicator on and you can watch the 5-minute chart where it comes down and it hits these little gaps, these little and all the indicator does is it marks out the 50% of the fair value gap on the 5-minute chart, and it loves to bounce off those levels and reject off those levels. And you'll just see it happening over and over and over again. So there is something to that, but it's almost just like, well, I want to get in on a pullback, or I want to, and that's why gold, it works good with the gold. And as far as, yeah, it just trades so much differently to me, just for my style than NASDAQ. NASDAQ, I feel like I can just get away with some momentum trades. It's just like, you know, catch 20, 30 points in a hurry. And yeah.
Yeah, by the way, Pine, did you say that you're not really trading ES, or you're not a huge fan of it? I don't remember well.
Yeah, I've tried to trade ES. I've tried to study like how to trade ES, but it was just I don't know. It's a nightmare. Sometimes if I feel tilty, I'll get on ES. That's when I know I'm tilted, because I know I can over leverage like crazy trading ES. And that's I at that point, it's like, that's the sign. It's time to walk away.
Yeah.
And if I do catch an ES trade, I feel like I just graduated from Harvard or something. I don't know what it is.
Speaking of Harvard, let's do our roundtable topics.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go.
We love that.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Look at that. And I did hear something. I hear something.
I heard something. Oh my gosh, this is a form to get into the duck race, you guys. MyFundedFutures will be dropping a form in chat. This is how you can enter to win a free account from MyFundedFutures. We will be giving away 15 accounts during our segment. There will be another duck race today. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Get in there, everybody.
Get in there. Look at your duck.
Get in there. Get in there, everybody. Get in there.
Get in there. There is a keyword.
This is what I sleep with.
I see in chat.
Yeah.
Here. It's here. HEAR. I think I can say that out loud. Yes. We're glad you're here. This year. Okay. Let's do our roundtable.
I just got that song, the Rubber Ducky song, stuck in my head from Sesame Street.
Me too.
That's all I can think of right now.
Oh, goodness.
So with the SIBO extending the options trading hours in pre-market and also curbside after New York close, does longer trading hours help or hurt retail traders? Tom?
Well, I would say it depends where you live, what's your job, what's your business. Longer trading hours, I think retail traders might get hurt with longer trading hours, because I feel like there are the specific times when the volume and the momentum is on its highest, right? So for example, the New York AM session, or for example, the London Open. But like extending those hours, and maybe we're talking about the weekend here, who knows what's going to happen, or maybe, you know, trading longer. I would feel like giving these hours to the retail traders, I think it could be hurtful, because the market is just going to dry up anyway. So look at crypto market on the weekend. It's just almost untradeable. So I would feel like it could be hurting retail. Yeah, that's what I think.
Tom says it could hurt retail. Husk?
I'm probably going to go with Tom on this one. Definitely hurt, especially if you don't have that strategy down. I feel like more hours only helps person if you got a strict strategy down, where you get more opportunities for that setup. But if you're just a retail trader slinging the contracts every single day, it is definitely going to be more opportunities for you just to hurt yourself, just because you're just constantly, the more you're in the market, the more usually damage you're doing to yourself. So I would go with hurting retail traders.
Huss says too much trading hurts retail traders. Pine?
No, more trading, more money. I mean, if you can trade around the clock and 7 days a week, let's go. I mean, I want to make money every single day. So let's get those daily payouts extended even on Saturday. I mean, I can't even imagine. Let's lock it in. And really though, it's just gonna be, if you have a setup, if it fits your trading style and you have a setup, then it doesn't really matter what time that you're trading. It's just as long as you're sticking to your proper risk management and trying to and just take your proper setups, or your setups, trade your edge, and then just go for it. I mean, but I really do think that when it comes to they do extend it, I think that it's going to be very low liquidity, probably worse than Globex is now sometimes. So
Pine says, go for it. More money. Oh, by the way, you guys, the nano contracts, yes, that is confirmed. They come out August 24th. So more opportunities. Here we go on the next topic here. Is trading a zero-sum game? People always talk about if one person wins, that means someone else has to lose. Or can everyone win? What do you think, Husk?
My thought on that is like, gotta always have someone loses. I mean, at the end of the day, it's everybody throwing their money into a big pot, and you're just hoping that you're going to come out the victory at the top when everybody else throws their money in. So definitely there's got to be losers. I think it's like that with anything that involves with investment money. It'd be no difference if you're investing in rental property business if you're outdoing your competitor in business. So not everybody
Husk
can be the
says
winner.
yes. Okay. Winners and losers. Tom?
I definitely agree with Husk here, and I'm 100% saying the same thing. There are going to be losing traders in different time periods, and obviously this is how things are working. Your job is to hold on, is to survive, is to, slowly, time is on your side. So take it slowly. This, zero-sum game, yes, obviously you got to take the losses yourself as well. And it is what it is. You got to accept it, but, time, as time goes on, you can compound those profits as well. But you need to have losing participants as well in this business. So this is how it goes. That's it.
Tom says there has to be losers. Pine?
As long as everyone's money is going in from their pocket to my pocket, I'm good. But no, I mean, I really think that's I think the advantage that we have with the prop firms is that everyone has the opportunity to win. They really, really do. It definitely can be a zero-sum game if you're starting off on a personal account and you don't know what you're doing. It can be very, very dangerous. I mean, most of all of us have put money into a personal account when we first started, thought we knew what we were doing after trading on a demo account for a week, and we're like, yeah, I got this, and then end up losing all our money. So then trading with prop firms is definitely an advantage, and I think that most people can and will. It just takes time to succeed. It really, really does. You got to give yourself some grace and a period where you're gonna go through some losing streaks, and you're also gonna go through some winning streaks too. So yeah, I'm just gonna say that everyone has a chance.
You're muted, Terry.
Oh, Terry.
Oh my gosh, I said something so clever and I was muted. No. Yes. So Pine says that Pine says everyone can win with prop firms. Let's go. Okay, let's go on to the next topic. So is stubbornness a trader's greatest asset or is a fatal flaw? What do you think, Pine?
Oh, I think it's definitely a flaw, being stubborn. So there's two thoughts to this for me. Is for one, you can be competitive, and I don't want to say competitive and stubbornness at the same thing, but I mean, if you're stubborn when it comes to a trade and you're even on today, I can use today as an example. I'm really thinking that we're going to push down into that open gap down there at some point, but I took it off as soon as we were down at that low. I'm like, wow, she's just acting really weird. So if I was too stubborn, I'd be way back up, almost above I actually did go above my entry, went back up to the 250s, and then you're going, wow. So you don't want to be too stubborn when it comes to being in a trade. Just kind of accept your loss and then move on. But
thank you, Pine. Husk, what do you think?
Definitely the stubbornness can definitely be a big flaw, because I think when trading, especially in the early days, all those bad habits that you have on your personal life, if you have a hard time accepting losses or whatever you're dealing with, like nervousness about anything. I know when I first started trading, all those came out, like just being super nervous about trying something new, accepting the consequences from the trading. So a lot of the stubbornness is usually definitely, I want to say, the worst part of trading to conquer, especially the losses. I remember my very first trade, like my hand would sit there and just shake, just trying to close to trade and not, just almost have to hold my wrist to keep my hand from being over nervous. And so definitely all those emotions come out when trading. So whatever you deal with on a personal level, it's going to be magnetized when you're getting to trading, especially if you're in a live account. That is what really magnetizes. If you got real like, dollar bills that you went out and worked hard on, and that's on there, it's definitely a big flaw.
Big flaw. Tom, what do you think? 13 seconds.
Yeah, so quickly on this, it's definitely a fatal flaw, by the way. So stubborn is definitely not good. It comes hand in hand, by the way, with accepting that this business is, you're not going to be right all the time. So that's it. Don't be stubborn. That's it.
Tom says, don't be stubborn. I will say real quick that stubbornness does help you stay in the game because it means you're resilient. In that sense, like the traders who survive are the ones that don't give up. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Next topic. Do we do 5 50K accounts or do we do 3 150K accounts? Which combination is better? Tom?
I'm going to go with the 550K accounts, because obviously the granddaddy account's giving you a lot of freedom to push it with the minis, but, splitting the risk with 50K accounts, 550K accounts, rotating, that's it. That's all about risk management. And I feel like mathematically speaking, obviously it's a little bit easier to go with the 50Ks. And again, splitting that risk, you don't have to copy trade those 5 accounts, by the way. So you can rotate them, splitting it, step by step, more opportunities. So I'm going to go with the 550Ks. Yes, definitely.
Tom says 550Ks. Husk?
I am the 550Ks all the way because I love rotating accounts. And I feel like the 50K does put pressure on you to especially if you're looking at the end of the month and you're trying to pass these before the either renewals on your accounts or whatever. So I just feel like the 50Ks do a lot better with me as far as my trading goes.
Okay, Huss says 50Ks. Pine?
Well, I do like 550Ks, but you guys want to make some big profits. You got to go with those big dog 150K counts. But the 550Ks really just copy trading. And I like what Tom said, you're spreading out the risk. And that's the main thing is like, if you are to copy trade accounts, then spreading out that risk is definitely the way to go. That's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm trading smaller size. I look at it like, okay, well, I mean, who doesn't want $1,000 daily payout? And if you're copy trading, say 5 accounts or whatever, you can get that not easily, but it's much more manageable to get that. And not once, knock on wood, not once have I put these accounts at risk yet. So it's been pretty relaxing to do that. So yeah, so I mean, that's the thing. It's just spreading out that risk.
Yes. Pine says spread out the risk. I do love the 150Ks because we get more drawdown in each account and I can trade a little bigger and I don't feel so like stressed because I like to trade big.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yes. Okay, next topic. So this is our final topic here. For prop trading success, is it long-term account longevity, like keeping an account for super long, or is it about high return on investment? So it doesn't matter if you spend, $50,000 in prop account fees in 1 month, as long as you're making like $100,000 in payouts. Which one determines prop trading success? What would you say, Tom?
Well, I'd like to say it depends. It depends on what type of person you are, what type of trader you are, what type of business or job you have or don't have. So it depends on a lot of factors. So I don't think there's a simple yes and no answer to this. But from my perspective, I like to get to the point where I can keep an account as long as possible, not just for the profits, by the way. It's also for my confidence, knowing that I can be on that professional level that I can pull out money consistently from the same account over and over, not like specifically every day, but like, every month, every other month, I can pull out some money from the same account. As like Huss said earlier, it was really great, like taking it as a bonus. That's really amazing. So my personal goal is to maintain and build the account for long term. But again, it's personal. It's like subjective for everybody.
Thank you, Tom. Husk?
You're welcome.
I'm all for the just keep how long I can keep the accounts. I have nothing against like the high rollover thing. And from my experience coming across different traders, that works really well until it doesn't work well. And if you didn't manage your money from the previous month and you're going through those accounts, it's like, well, I'm making $1,000 to $5,000 a month doing this, but there's going to be that month that maybe you don't make that 5,000. Were you prepared for that huge month where you don't make money? So I'm all about keeping the account long as you can on a budget until you build that buffer. Then you can roll over some accounts.
Okay. Thank you, Husk. What do you think, Pine? 39 seconds.
Well, I was debating this all weekend. Like, how am I going to trade these accounts now that I'm over the buffer? And it's like, do I go for those big wins or I go for longevity? And what I kept telling myself is I hate doing evals. I hate doing them. I just want to keep my funded accounts around a little bit longer. It helps me trade better on longer term accounts. So if I start getting into that eval grind where I'm over leveraging like crazy, we were talking about this earlier, just to pass an eval, it can really affect my funded account trading. So because I almost get used to trading that big size and over leveraging. So
thank you. Thanks, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go. Great questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
What I heard a lot of you guys say is as far as being a successful prop trader, it just depends if you're going for that high ROI or longevity. But I also heard all three of you guys say that you do like that longevity component. That is something that's important.
Yeah, I mean, in the long run, we are all here to be a better trader every single day, right? So that's why we're doing it, because it's the best profession in the world, I would say. And long run, and again, I have to go back to it's really subjective. But I also want to add, like Huss said, like I have nothing against with the big ROI. If you have some budget to spend on evals and you want to really push it, then if you can make money, do it. Depends on your goals. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yeah. Oh, what were you going to say, Pine?
Yeah, I liked what you said earlier, Terry, that, when we were talking about being competitive or being stubborn, like I think that that most of us, we just haven't given up, right? We're just too stubborn to give up. So that is key, I think, when it comes to this game, to just the longevity, just not giving up. A lot of us, we're athletes and we're very competitive, and it's like we don't want to give up on ourselves. It's just like, just keep pushing forward. And there's many times where this, to be honest with you, this trading stuff has put me in tears, like
me too.
Before,
Fine.
like literally.
Absolutely.
So,
literally.
And it's just like you can't give up on it. You just got to keep pushing forward.
I just like to add one more quick thing here to the stubborn thing. So, and I'm so glad you brought this up, Pine. So when I started trading, and it was like, when I was totally down in 2020 and 2021, I told everyone like, hey, I really want to get into this because I want to master this craft as much as possible. I really want, I didn't really get too much support. And, yes, they saying, yeah, sure, Tom, whatever, but, make sure to do something else just to be sure, just don't really put too much energy in it. And, the more they were trying to hold me back, the more I was like, I don't care, guys. I'm going to show you that I'm going to take those payouts, whatever it takes. even if I have to burn all the bridges. And I was real stubborn on that point. But anyway, that stubbornness actually fueled me with a bit of an anger there, but a bit of a revenge, but also lots of optimism. I was really, really focusing on the goal. Like, really? You really think that I'm just playing a video game? You really think that this is all just stupid? Okay, I'm going to prove to you guys when I get the first payout from a prop firm, I'm going to show you the receipt that, hey, look at that. That's it. So anyway, it was a bit of a personal thing. I'm glad you brought this up. So that's the thing.
Using the haters' comments as fuel.
Oh,
like, yeah, you can do this, and I'm going to prove all you guys wrong.
Yeah.
Trading is definitely a stage game. I know that some of these questions are kind of like it doesn't really kind of point that out, but a lot of this is different stages of your trading career, and you'll learn that the farther you go on. And that's something that helped me out in the beginning, was watching Methodical kind of do what Pon said that his same story was in the early stages of going through that stuff with big losses, and realize like, oh my goodness, what am I doing? And you realize your mistakes later down the road or after it's already happened. So definitely the trading game is definitely a stage, not stage, but stages in trading career, like, first step, second step, third step, with the experience.
Right.
Yes, in stages. Yeah. I have a special shout out to do.
Okay.
Augie, congratulations, Augie. Augie told us in chat that you passed your eval with MyFundedFutures. Let's go!
Amazing.
Let's go.
Feels so good. Let's go. Go, Augie. Augie is an OG in our chat, in our community members. Yeah.
It's a good reminder that we're all in different stages. So like whether you're passing an eval or getting a payout, it's like, we're all in different stages, and they all should be celebrated, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I got passing evals pretty quick, but I felt like, I swear, for almost a year, it felt like I was stuck on the funded stage, where I felt like I just could not get over this hump. But as soon as you start getting over those funded stage humps and those those are the stages that I'm preferring to when trading prop firms, is getting over those different stages, either starting out on a sim account, moving to an eval. Now it's like passing eval is going to be like, that's nothing. Then, you're going to be moving over to the funded stage, and, you'll work at that. You just can't give up. And as soon as you start passing those, you're not even going to think about it. Then it's just normal trading. Cause I used to get nervous trading fundeds. Now I'm just like, we'll trade it anytime.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah,
that's so true.
That's what I'm talking about, stages, as far as the eval prop firm trading goes.
But it also takes time, right? Time and experience. Yeah.
How are we doing on likes?
Oh, by the way, let me refresh the page here. Let me refresh the stream. 296. Let's go. We love that. Okay. Right on. So we need a little bit more. We need like 50 something more. So let's push it. We still have like, oh my gosh, time flies. We have a bit of less than 12 minutes to go. So please smash the like if you haven't already. The standard is now 350 likes until 10:30. That's the new standard. So please push it. Thank you.
Push it. We can do it. I know we can do it. So we do have the duck race coming up, you guys. If you entered the duck race, I'm assuming you like the duck race.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you smash that like button.
Ooh,
here we go.
There you go.
Woohoo.
All right. It's starting.
Ready?
It's happening.
It's starting. It's happening.
It's starting. Yay!
Who's in the lead?
Where's the bat duck? I don't see it. Oh my gosh.
Our band AWG is in the lead by quite a bit, falling a little behind now. KZY Man 33 taking over. Does KZY have the energy to finish in first? Who will win? Top 15 ducks win a free account from MyFundedFutures.
Let's go. Look at that. Remember, last few seconds can change everything.
Quack, quack. Oh, the panda duck.
Ooh.
Jay Styles
Wow.
coming out of nowhere. Pushing all the other ducks around.
Oh my gosh.
Larry! Woohoo!
Larry! Let's go.
Nice.
Top 15 ducks win a free account from MyFundedFutures.
Oh, wow,
Congratulations. 15. You do have to be present to win, so make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm to claim your prize.
Good job. Congratulations,
Let's
everybody.
go.
Let's go. Congratulations.
Let's go, Jay Styles.
This is how it's done.
Is
Yeah.
anybody
Oh my
in a
gosh.
position? We are still shorting
No.
that 15-minute opener, guys.
I
I mean,
mean-
scalp.
Is it gonna
No,
push
that's-
down through now?
It
Will that
has
gap?
to get through the 50s. If we can get through the 50s, I'm hoping we get a big push. But we done got stuck down there, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 times already. So I done been in like 20, 30 point trades multiple times and constantly getting stopped out on the run. This is what I was saying about holding runners today. Runners are not faring very well at all this morning. So
We should be getting down below the 60s, by the way. And I kind of trying to risk it for the biscuit with 5 micro here. And let's see. Yeah, if this one breaks 160, that would be good.
yeah.
I have a 5
Yeah.
micro trade here, and it's a little bit heavy. But we'll see.
There's also a pivot sitting at 156, 157. That's what we're trying to break through. And if we can get through that, I can definitely see us pushing down to 104. Then we'll run it to resistance down there at the whole number. So that's kind of what we're looking for at the moment.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm my entry is 173, and I'm just kind of hoping that it can break lower. It's a negative R trade. I'm kind of watching this closely and hoping for the best here, but it seems like it's pushing up there. Oh, come on.
Yeah, we may try to do another add-in here if we can kind of push back up to retest this 5-minute wick up there at the 200s, and maybe a good spot to add in.
I really wanted to see this drop below the 160. It was such a nice drop, and we have that 1 hour fair value gap down at 126. So anyway, a bit of a heavy scalp here, but if I can make an extra 120 bucks on this, that would be really good. All right. Anyway,
Let's go. We're so close to 350 likes. So close.
let's go.
Let's go.
Do it.
Can
Do
we get
it,
there?
everybody.
We have only 7 minutes left. I think we can get there.
Let me refresh it and see. 329. Come on, everybody. It's easy to do. Very easy. 21
How
more.
many?
21 more. We need 21 more, everybody. We can do it.
We can do it.
I know we can. So let's do it.
Will we do a dance party if we get to 350?
Well, not today's stream, but yeah. After
Okay,
the stream.
What? Okay. Tom doesn't want to do a dance party today.
I will do a dance party for sure. Maybe I have to rehearse for that just to make sure. I have to rehearse.
We'll get them to dance. Peer pressure.
Yeah, no
Peer
pressure there.
As long as I can get me some fake little AI glasses to put on my face, that way we're in the moment.
Yeah.
Come
I don't know,
on,
every-
60?
It seems like at the end of the session, usually like Pine will have on his eyes. I think Pine had a shark in his head earlier.
Yeah.
Or something.
Sometimes I forget that I do it.
Oh,
It looked like
you're
it.
doing it. So you're doing it, not the back end's not doing
Let's
that.
go.
No,
No, he's doing it.
Oh crap, man!
Hey.
W for Tom.
I've always thought the back end was doing that. I didn't know you were doing it yourself. What
Yeah.
the crud? I guess you'll have to teach me how to do that. I've always thought the back end was like, man, I'm getting left out on the glasses.
Yeah, it's right in the Zoom settings. But yeah, nice trade, Tom, and yeah, nice trade, guys. I mean, did we fill the gap? I think we did.
Not entirely,
quite.
but almost. A few ticks left on the downside. But again, we have that 1 hour level down there at 126. I feel like the market could continue to that area. We definitely shifted bearish again. On the 1 minute, it's definitely, yeah, it looks like bearish, but like on the 5 minute, the 5 minute has all these rejections as bounce and all these wicks. So I'm not really trusting the 5 minute yet. The 1 minute kind of looks more promising for the bears, but yeah, and I do like that swing low from Friday, 4:25 p.m. Anyway, that was the one that created the 1 hour gap down there. It would be great to reach down for it, but if this would be the first minute, as I used to say, for me to sit down to trade, I would be waiting a little bit more here because it can also bounce up to the 200s or way higher than the 200s. So be careful. Yeah.
Be careful. We need only 9 more likes, Tom, to hit 350.
Oh my gosh, everybody. Drop everything what you're doing, or I don't know, call someone, send the link to your ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever, ex-high school teacher, to your neighbor. Just make sure we get that 9 likes, everybody. We need to make sure.
Come on.
Push the button.
Come on,
exactly.
push the button.
8 more to go, everybody. 8 more.
Break out the alt accounts.
We can do it. Get the alt accounts. Get the alt accounts.
We're so close. We're also so close to that overnight low price. And I see we didn't quite fill the entire gap. I think we came really close.
Yeah, real close.
Quite yet.
Yeah. We still need a few ticks on the downside. So it did not finish the job yet. So
only one more. We need one more.
This is definitely one of these days where you can just kind of have a bad Monday and kind of set up for a horrible rest of your week. It's definitely that type of price action this morning.
We did it. We hit 350 live.
350.
Let's go.
Good job, everybody.
A preview of the dance party.
Oh, yeah.
That Tom will do when we hit 70K.
Oh my gosh, I'm already sweating. Yeah.
We'll have to pick a special song and figure out the whole copyright thing ahead of time.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
The pressure. Tom, we're getting closer. You guys, at 70,000 subscribers.
It's not helping, Terry. It's not helping with the pressure.
We're getting closer.
All right.
We only need 2,400 more. And then Tom's going to have to do a dance.
Easy,
and we'll have a
guys.
special giveaway too, of course. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to show up with a doctor's note saying I can't do it today.
Yes, doctor. I will get that. Yeah.
I sprained the ankle. I can't do it. I got a doctor's note.
It's not the day, guys.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, you guys. This was such a fun morning. A great way to kick off the week. Thank you everyone for joining us. Last minute thoughts before we head out for our segment. Tom.
Well, we had really good fun, good trades. Guys, I need to give you a special thanks to you, Terry, because guys, Terry is working a lot, by the way, on these questions and the topics on the backstage. So she really does have a lot of work into this. And I'm like always amazed about these topics and the questions. Really amazing. The chat is always, you guys are awesome. The vibes are positive. What can I say? It's a blessing to be here. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Tom. Husk?
I will say take your profit. If you're positive 10, 15, 20 points, take your profit. Today's been a very choppy day. I usually tell people this a lot. When you have that feel of just big wicky days, if you were looking at the 5 minutes, I mean, the 5 minute looks horrible today. So keep your profit today, or take your profit. Don't get up big and basically come back and get stopped out.
Thank you, Husk. Pine?
I'm just really looking forward to doing this roundtable more often. It's going to be a lot of fun, and just thank everyone. And like we touched upon earlier, guys, just don't give up. Just keep grinding, and you got this.
You guys got this. Thank you so much, you guys. We will be back on tomorrow. Please welcome Corey and Ike.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, everybody.
Hey, we're back. Another week. How you doing, my brother? Good to see you this morning.
Good to see you. Another week above ground is always a great week. Am I right? Am I right? Another week's in the NASDAQ. Let's get it.
Do what? I can't hear you, huh?
Huh? Stop sign. What stop sign?
I don't know. We just, I see green today.
Let's get it. You know me today. We're going to look for some short, quick scalps because, hey, we don't have that much time left. Am I right?
No,
we got to
man.
make the money.
But we on a time limit, I tell you.
Exactly. We had a time limit. So what you looking at? What you seeing today? Let me go pull up your screen. I want to see your charts over there.
Well, if we look at the mathematics of mathematicals and the geography of algebra and calculus, today we just gonna find something to just, I'm looking at a 30-minute liquidity zone. Right now it's Chop City, so I don't know right now.
Chop Suey?
Chop Fest, yeah. Oh, yes, sir. We hungry out here.
All right. Well, I'm gonna do what I've been doing since NASDAQ was only 6. It was only $6, 6 points in the whole NASDAQ. I remember when it went from 6 to 7. I went crazy. It was a party outside.
Oh, well, just little puppy, just little pup, little woof.
So I'm gonna mark up the 30-minute as I always do, so we can get some support and resistance. But of course, I am looking for my signature Ike CTs for a quick 4 little point scalps. And see how many we can rock up today in this little hour we get to spend together,
Yeah, buddy, I'm just right now, the market is just slow as a turtle. I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. So I'm just going to chill and hang out with the family with my brother from another mother.
That's me.
Yep, that's you.
Well, I remember when we used to know if the market was tanking because my cousin next door would yell out the window, and that's the only way we would know anything that's happening with NASDAQ. Now, my phone's just beep, 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 beep. Who has time for this? I can't.
And at our age, all these cellular telephones, they just getting all fancy. It's overfrying my brains.
I might get into a little buy over here. I like how we tested this support down here at the 169. Then we popped back up to close above this resistance, now maybe turning support. And the next candle did test it, but looks like it popped back up. So I'm going to try a little thing here. I'm going to go put in a buy stop. You know how I do those buy stops. I'm going to do a little buy stop on this right here. Stop loss right under that candle. And we're looking to just fill this range up, really. Let's just fill this range up. That's what I'm looking for here.
I actually like that.
It's just, I'm just looking at, I'm a simple man, I don't know about, SMTs, divergences, breaker blocks, unicorns. I just see, hey, price keeps stopping over here or it goes through it. If it goes through it, bring me with you. If you're going to respect it and stop there, let's go the other way. I keep it simple.
I actually like that idea, buddy. Right now, it looks like you could get your profits and then it could sell off. Right now, it's struggling to go up. So I would be looking for sales, but we want you to make your monies, right?
Well, as long as one of us makes it, that's all I'm looking for. So
it's all good. We just gonna see what's gonna happen.
The one thing here I'm looking at here, we're 5 minutes into the 30-minute. So I'm liking the time. I think we got some time. We got some time for price to move around a little bit. So let's see, if we close back below these 190s, that would be bearish to me. And I might close my trade a little bit early if I'm still in it then, if we get a closure below. So that's something I'm looking for because I do see how we are working with these EMAs, which always gets me a little curious, like these EMAs are powerful, you can't, not gonna lie.
Right now, this thing is just chop, chop, choppity city. Chop, chop, choppity city.
Let's see. Well, while I'm in green, I think I can make my little disco ball be playing green. And when I'm in the red, we can pop it to the red like this.
Oh, shoot.
We going green.
Oh,
we going green. Okay, let's keep pushing.
Hey, there we go. Come on now.
Come on. Woo. I'm just looking for a quick $80, $90 to lock in. I mean, that's all I need. I just need some sardines and some bread. That's all I'm eating these days.
Oh, man.
No.
Boy, ooh, I'll tell you what, boy. I sure would like some of that spam Sam I am with some jam. Oh yeah, that sounds good.
So let's see what this candle does here, because if we respect this support, I'm really liking it. If we start pushing and fill this wick, pause, then of course I'm going to be a little bit more cautious and then say, well, that might have not be the best trade. But it's like I even say, even if you have a 90% win rate, that still means 10% of your trades are going to lose, right? So that could happen at any time. And it's not about the losses. It's about coming back from the losses. If you have a strategy that can take 2, 3, 4 losses on a funded account and make your way back up because it's proven, you know, that's all you need. Your strategy is only as good as your comeback from an L. That's what, you know?
So I'm trying to manage myself today because but I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the wrong thing.
I think what I might do here is actually put another buy stop here if price turns around, because I like how we're respecting. So what I'm seeing now is either we're going to keep pushing, stop me out, which is fine, and we look for another trade, or price will flip and take me with it, and I'll get in a second position here and then also be able to come out early. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm either I know I'm going to take this L, but hopefully it will just be for one contract, or this turns to a W, flips, and I can be in for double the position, double the pleasure, double your fun. Okay, so now I'm in 2. Now I can also get out a little bit earlier, hopefully. So I got 2 sell limits, so I could take partials. There we go. We got 80. Oh, I was in the green 80.
I see it. Oh, I like that idea. I like how you explained that.
Let's see if we can push up. So I didn't just buy in to a second position because we were taking an L, right? Like I didn't just say, let me go get in here. I said, I'll put another buy stop. So I'm like, all right, if we came this far down and we're going to then push all the way back up to get me back in a second one, we should then continue all the way up. You know, that's the, let me put my other, my stop loss here, because it's 2 positions now, not 1. So I got two, you know, each position down here as a sell stop. Then I got a partial here, pretty much like 8 points up, and another partial 15 points up. If we can get it. If we can get it. What's up, chat, by the way? I'm so sorry. I didn't even say hi to chat. I didn't even say hi to chat.
Oh, doodle-doo.
Doodle-doo. And then there was a doodle-doo.
A doodle-doo. Doodle-doo. Come on, y'all. Y'all hit the like button for us, y'all.
Let's turn green. Let's get some green over here.
Come on now. Come on, Marcus.
Come on. We're just looking for this candle to flip. I gotta call Harold down at the NASDAQ and tell him to send it up.
Hey, Harold. Tell him, what is he doing?
What are you doing? You know I'm in live stream right now, right? We got like 700 people watching us. We got likes coming in here. You can't have me in drawdown this long. Can we just flip this up to 2015, fill that range up, and then I'll be out, and then you could go on with your day. What do you say, Harold?
We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Come on now.
Okay. He didn't answer.
Oh, he didn't pick up?
I was just talking to myself, you know, at this age. Who else is listening?
Oh boy, that's funny right there.
So guys, we got a giveaway. Let's not forget there is a duck race giveaway. So like, share, more people, more giveaways. You know how we do it here. You know. Okay, this trade is taking too long. We don't have this type of time, you and I, anymore.
No, we don't. But what we can do, we need everybody to go hit the like button right now, y'all. We're going to see how many likes we at right quick.
Up 110.
Brother got some money.
What's that?
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Good. Not financial advice.
Okay. You still got some more
he got some money. Not financial advice. He getting some money.
Financial advice, not financial advice.
Money.
All right. There we are.
He got it. Let's go.
Okay. All right, that wasn't much money there. Let me just see. How much did we make on that one? All right. About $55. Listen, hey.
Who cares? Boy, you know what I can do with $50?
I could retire my parents.
Man, who you telling for $50?
I tell you that The good thing about dating at this age is you never need to go meet their parents, you know. I just joined this dating app for people our age. It's called Carbon Dating.
Oh, carbon.
Ooh, get 'em. I'll be here all week.
Listen, y'all, we got 370 likes. Now we need about 300. 300. Oh, I can't even count, brother. Oh, my brain. Oh, my cerebral cortex is dysfunction over here. Y'all, we need 30 more likes to get 400 total. Okay, I know that y'all can do that. Come on, I know you can. Come on, I know you can get 30 more likes to make 400. Come on now. I know y'all can.
We can do it. I'm gonna look for a little ICT here because, you know, like I think on the last stream we were on, I like support and resistance trading because it's simple. You could follow along with it. It makes sense. But when it comes to what makes me the most money, I've got to say it's the ICT. Less thinking involved, quicker trades, higher win rate. So it's like I like to jump a little bit between both, you know, but right now I'm looking for a little ICT in this account, you know. And let's see, you see where I closed my trade. You know, lots of people, I always close my trades early. I see money, I take it. And people are like, let it run, let it run. But look, in this case, if I let it run, I'd be in some drawdown right now, you know? So it's like I have no regrets once I get out of a trade. I'm just like, okay, we had a move. I got my money. Let's see.
Brother, I was thinking about a sale right here, but good thing I didn't get in because it would have been to stop me out. I was looking for a sale for it to come touch this beautiful, good-looking green liquidity box right here, but we'll see.
I'm going to try a little ICT right here. Sell limit at 207. If we could push up a little further, get me in and just for a quick pullback for 80 bucks. A quick little hit. Let's see if we can catch it. See if we can catch it real quick. Yes, the market is chop added. So when the market chops, that's when I like to use my ICT scalping the most because we're in. Because ICT isn't about knowing direction or long-term trades. It's about like the market breathing almost, like structure, like whether it's pushing up or down, it always takes a breath and pulls back a little bit, whether that be 3 points, 4 points, 6 points. My ICT is for 4 points over here. That's all I'm looking for. So, and that's it. We got
it. Good job, buddy. Sherman.
Oh. So that was it. $4. I don't know what will happen now. Will it keep going up? Will it keep going down? It does. I don't know, and it doesn't matter because we just made a quick 80 on that, and we made a quick 55 on the hand before on the candle before. So we're up a nice little 130 here on 2 5-minute candles. I mean, where else you doing that much in 5 minutes, right? Like where else? Oh, I like your sell stop over there. I'm looking at your screen right now. Oh yes.
Oh, it didn't hit me. I got it in, but I'm prepared and ready.
I think I like that as an ICT too. I might put a little sell limit right at the top of that candle with you at 217. A little sell limit at 217, just looking for a quick 4 points again.
This is the only thing that I'm seeing, brother.
Sud000 doesn't understand how to make the duck work fast. Oh, let me turn off my my party lights right now since I'm not in a trade. How to make the duck go faster? Very simple. When the duck race is going on, you just press 1 2 1 2 1 2. Keep sending it into chat. That will send good vibes to the duck, and the duck will go faster. What do you think, Corey? True or not?
I think it's true because as us old folks, when we get these new cellular devices, when you keep pressing 1 and 2 like us, we get frustrated. So we just get mad and just keep pressing the phone because it's acting stupid. Don't want to do what we want to do. So you got to do this. You got to get frustrated. Keep going.
Exactly. All right, let's see if we can catch this, right? I still got this here. Now look, this 15-minute candle is going to close in 10 seconds. So I'm actually going to cancel this trade because there's a new candle about to start. ICT is based off the 15-minute. So a new candle is about to open in a minute. I'm going to wait for another 2-3 minutes into that candle and let it go, you know?
I don't like the fact that it barely missed me by the hair of my chitty chin and then went to TP as usual.
Let's see. How about let's do it again, right? The move's so nice we could catch it twice, man.
Man, I'm going to hold it. I'm willing to accept the win or the loss. We're going to see.
Let's see.
I'm just going to wait. Brother, you killing it already. You got numero dos.
Numero dos. We got to do it. We got to do it. Listen, chat, I know I enter the duck race every week too with everyone just because I want to see if I can get it. I don't think I've even seen my duck up there yet. So, but like sometimes you just can't give a duck. Pause. Like just let the duck. It's by chance. You got to let the duck do its thing, and sometimes you're the duck, and sometimes you're the pond. I don't know. I'm seeing a lot of quick rejections here down here at the 180s. So next time price comes down here, I'd be looking for a possible buy, just because you know me, I expect what's been happening to keep happening, right? So if every time price comes here for the last hour, really, hour and 15 minutes, anytime price came down here is shot back up, I'd say, well, that's probably going to keep happening until it doesn't, right? So I'm got my eye on that, on a possible pull down to the 180s, 170s, and then putting a buy stop if price flips and goes back up.
So, brother, I'm just gonna hold it right here because we just keep ping pong.
You know what? While we wait for that, I could do a quick little magic trick for you. Okay, I'm not looking.
Okay. Come on.
Pick a card.
That one right there.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. I'm not looking. Okay, you see the card, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right back in here. Mix it up. Ready?
Yep. What you got for me?
Was this your card? How'd I do it?
No.
Oh, wait, you're not supposed to see this side. Whoops.
Well, I couldn't see because my peripheral vision is not all okay, bud.
And just look right here. Forget that magic trick. That wasn't a good one.
Okay. Up.
Gee. Let's see. Oh, are you about to get in this trade?
Nope. Look, it keep playing with me. She like teasing me. Come on, girl.
Let's see.
Why are you doing this to me now?
There we go.
We in there. Now, what you gonna do?
And they like swimwear. Now we need that rejection.
We're going to see if she gonna do me dirty. She gave me money when I'm in need. Yeah, she's a what?
Trifling?
Friend indeed. Oh, you fill in the blank.
What have we got going on here? I'm going to give it another minute, and I might jump into an ICT here, also a short. I just want to let this candle breathe a little. Actually, we're already 3 minutes into this candle. I got a sell limit right at the top too. I'm not in the trade yet. I got it at like 223.5 with a TP of 219.5. Almost.
Oh, it's just playing around with me. I just need the market just to take a big old super de-duper dump.
I remember the days I was able to do that.
Oh man. Oh. After a good full stomach of some soul food, bathroom.
Edith, get the toilet paper ready.
We need the ultra double wide.
Look at that, by a tick over here. Market's playing, they watching. The streets are watching.
Here we go. I'm going to try to at least grab me about a 50-piece nugget. I gotta see some movement right here to the white line, probably.
So what's up, chat? We in any trades, chat? We passing any evals? You know that rapid end of day is still like the best deal out there right now. There's still a 20% off with code YouTube, and the builder and the pro are 50% off still, believe it or not. 2 uses per person. So those are some great steals right now with MyFundedFutures. So definitely, if you're done trading, let's say you already made $500, $600, $700 on your funded today. Let's say you already hit your consistency or whatever on your eval today. That's perfect. Don't risk anything that you've already made. You get a new account, a new eval, 50, 75, 85 bucks all in. And that's it. You could build. That's how I build more and more. And I don't risk what I already want. Once I'm up 300, 400, 500 in my funded account, I'm jumping to either an eval I have or another funded account. But I do not give back those profits. I will not keep trading that. I'm going to probably cancel this trade over here. You rocking it in there. Come on.
I'm waiting to get to the white line. I'm like, come on now, market. The only thing you got to do is get to this white line. Look, now it's going to bounce back up and probably stop me out.
Let me zoom in on my chart real quick.
If it get back down in profit, I might have to get out.
Okay, we in it. I'm in it. I'm just in it. Oh, that's two.
Oh.
That's another one.
Look at him. He getting it.
Let's see. We got ICT W2, and then we got support resistance W1. We keep it going. Oh, is this the candle so nice we can enter it thrice?
Oh, brother, I don't like this. I don't think it's gonna come to my TP at all.
Not with that attitude.
Probably not.
Here we are. Just jumped in another one. Let's see if we can catch another one.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nasty. I'd have held on too long and lost. See, I knew it. See, this is a bunch of bologna, a couple of hot dogs with 2 stale buns with some ketchup, some mustard, some barbecue sauce, and a nasty tall glass of ice Kool-Aid.
What the? If people wondering why my chart's so big, it's these glasses. I gotta get the new prescription filled.
It's okay. We only lost a little bit. Small loss. We're gonna wait for another trade. You win some? You lose.
I'm in it. I'm in this little sell over here. I'm in a little sell. I just need a little push down. Stop loss is going to be about 300 or so is where I'm going to close it if it goes that high. Let's see.
I don't know why, but I really like sales. They just stopped me out for it to go back down.
Oh, that's another one. That's 3. That's 3.
He got it.
That's 3, chat. That's 3. Even at my old age, I still got it. I still got it at my old age.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
I'm about to put on my little negative RR bandit over here the way we drop in this market.
Oh yeah.
Let's get it.
Stick him up. This is a heist.
Stick it up.
Stick him up.
There we go.
I like that.
That's it. Scalping grandpa on the loose. Hide your pips. Hide your contracts. Hide your ticks. Here I come. I'm coming for it.
Hide your kids. Hide your wife.
Let's see. I'll put the mask back on when I'm about to do another stick up,
I think that this thing just did me dirty. Look at this. You see this?
Oof.
She gave me money when I'm in need. Yeah, she's a what?
I might. This is a trifling candle indeed.
Oh my gosh, you trifling.
Let's see. I might if price does come back down here, I might ICT this from the top and bottom. Pause. So I did 2 scalps from the top here, and right now I've got a buy limit at the bottom of the wick. So if price does come back down here, I catch a little 4-point popper, if you will. Oh, Prash in the chat. How you doing, Prash? Good to see you always. Always good to see you, Prash. Let's see.
So I do like a buy right now. If we can get to the top of this candle and come grab this wick, we'll be cooking with grease.
Keep in mind, we got 6 minutes left to the hourly close. So for me, I stay away probably another minute or 2. So I'm gonna give it another minute or 2. I got my buy limit still at the bottom of this candle. So I'm still letting that sit for about another minute. But if I don't get entered in the next minute, pause, then we're gonna just cancel this order and we're gonna wait till like 11:02 or 11:03 for my trades. So let's see.
I
Let's see.
think
I'm giving it another minute. 1 minute.
I might have to be gutsy right here. I'm gonna just put it. Hopefully, the new hourly candle will push it up to the moon and then give me some profits.
I mean, this is a beautiful long wick pause that's begging to get filled. So that next hourly candle could totally just push this right up to 240 even, you know? Could definitely see that happen. My issue is down here we got this rejection area, and it's like, are we gonna push back up first from this last rejection that it touched on the 1030 candle, or are we going to go back in there for another bouncy bounce? I'm going to cancel my order now, chat. So chat, this is my second order canceling. And I got to wait now till like 11:02. So any questions? Got to talk about anything? You know, I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
So I got a buy stop in, brother, at this long candle right here, going up to go grab this other long wick.
Pause. Yes, pause. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come
People
on,
asking
dog.
if this is a wig. It's not a wig. This is really how old I am. This is me without the touch-up makeup.
We got 559 people watching it. We need 16 more likes in order to get 400. I know y'all can do it. Go tell your daddy, your mama, your mimo, your pawpaw, your cousins. Go tell everybody, y'all, that come over to watch the unks trading. We having a good old time.
We're having a good old time, just making a couple dollars so we can go play some bridge later and get some Miralax and just try to, you know, get some new I want some new tennis balls under my walker. I've been saving up for some nice orange tennis balls under my walker. That's my next big purchase.
Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm finna go to bingo tonight, bro.
Edna won't let me go to bingo after the bingo incident. you remember? Let's not talk about that, but yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, Wyatt talking about the prune juice. That's right. Edna, can I get another iced latte prune juice, please? Thank you.
You definitely asking for the bathroom.
6 more likes, guys. Quack, quack. 6 more likes.
Yep,
Is this a new Monday theme for you guys, Corey and Ike? You know, we're just playing it by ear. You know, Corey and I, we just sometimes the unks want to come out. Maybe next time it's going to be somebody. We're just living. We're just here for the show like you guys. We don't know what's going to happen.
You never know. Just keep your eyes open. Keep your head on a swivel.
That's why you got to like and subscribe. Follow both of us on Twitter, YouTube. You know, things are always popping off. Things are always popping off. Oh, we in a trade. We in a buy right now.
It tagged me in. We're going to see what we can get.
Okay, I'll put on some dance music since I'm not going to be in the trade till 11:02. So I'll just dance for the candle. I'm just dancing for the wick. Pause. Let's go. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up.
Pump it up. Come on, y'all. Pump it up. We got 400 likes, y'all. You give yourselves a hand.
Come on.
Shoot me.
I remember when we were growing up and we wanted likes, we had to go grab a clipboard, go to everyone's house with a little picture of a thumb up and thumb down, and it would be really awkward when they checked the thumb down right in front of us. Remember those days? But yeah, times have changed. Now you just press a button. I mean,
just like on Mortal Kombat would say, whoopsie.
Whoopsie. Yeah, I remember those days. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this push. Let's go.
We in profit just a little bit. I gotta wait to see a little bit more. It got to come up here and grab this long wick. Pause.
This is what I've always been saying, right? We buy high, we sell higher, right? We're not the geniuses to figure out the high, buy high, sell low. That's hard stuff. But if price is going up and you're buying high, you just buy on the way up and sell while it's still on the way up. You don't need to get the bottom entry or the top entry. Just a bunch of little crumbs and you're eating right.
I'm waiting on 1 more minute for this 1 hourly candle, brother. Hopefully we can get that crazy push. Here we go. Come on.
We got God willing 87 in the chat. Good to see you. Good to see you. See you trades. Good to see you. Good to see you. See ya.
Oh,
I gotta check my pocket. I can't laugh like that. The doctor told me.
oh goodness.
Okay, I'm safe. I'm safe.
The hourly candle just hit. What we gonna do? Come on.
Come on, let's get a push
Lucille.
up.
Come
We
on,
closed
Lucille.
above support over here. We got this candle all the way up to 266, which is just begging for it. Pause. Gonna mark up a little bit more, 30 minutes, being that we're going higher right now. So I'm gonna just move the next where I see my support resistance forming, which is really all these little wick touches, right? Like that's where I'm putting my next resistance. And then over here, pretty much where we're getting some candle closes, pretty much like right here. So this is what I got drawn up right now. And we are closing above. I am bullish right here, really, to fill this range up right here. I just need to give this candle another... I got to give it another couple minutes. I don't get into the candle the first, like, 2-3 minutes of it, just because, especially the hourly, just because weird stuff happens. What'd you get there?
We broke even. I tried to get a little bit more.
Tried to get a little more.
Yep. We was up about $50. He didn't want to give us more than that.
I do like it to keep pushing up, although this is also
too.
a rejection zone for me.
I'm going to have to wait because this thing right here.
See, what I'm seeing over here is I got my two little yellow marks, right? Looks like when price comes up to this yellow mark up here in the 240s, we push down. When we come down to this one here in the 180s, 170s, we push back up to the 240s, right? Right now, of course, we know this won't happen forever, but it happens until it doesn't, which is why I use stop orders, where I'm not picking, oh, this is where it's going to turn around. I would put something like a sell stop over here. So if price does turn around here, it will take me with it. If it keeps pushing up, I just cancel my order again. No harm, no foul. So, it's again, it's not the sniper entries. I never get those sniper entries, but I just care about the dubs. I just care about the W's, Let's see. We're pushing here. We're pushing a little bit. Let's see.
I so want to get in, but I don't know.
You
know what? I'm finna be like Chris Tucker and just do what? Come on!
Push the button!
Come on.
Push the button!
Come on, push the button.
I'm getting in.
Do it. I like it.
I'm getting in for buying pressure.
I like this up to 265. I really do. I really do. I just need another minute or so before I can get in. If this candle would push back down a little bit closer to the 240s, I would put a buy stop then to get in it as well, because I do like how we're looking right here. My one holdback is that we're in this rejection area. That's my one little holdback. Guys, are you liking and sharing and subscribing? Because we got giveaways. We got ducks given away.
I'm waiting on you, Lucille. When you gonna stop playing with me? Stop playing.
See, I gotta wait for a little closure over here because I'm torn. Like I said, I always base what's happened before as what will happen again. And right now we are just in this zone where if you look at the 950 candles, we popped in here again, a strong push in, and then the next candle.
We taking that. Forget that. Yep.
A grandpa joke, Lex Goat. Well, Lex Goat, I don't know if I ever told you, but back when Corey and I first started trading, they didn't even call it the NASDAQ yet. They just called it the NA. It was just NA. I think it was like in the 50s they added as, and then I think it was the 90s they added the DAC. But, we were trading it since it was just NA. Hey, you trading today? Yeah, I heard it's going to go from 1 to 1.1. I was like, whoa, almost 2. Now we're at 30,229. I remember when it hit 2. Remember it was on the news? The market freaked out. NASDAQ at 2. Crazy.
There we go.
Look at that push.
That was
filling that wick. Pause. We are filling that wick. How big is this candle? Can I get into a little XCT? Let's see. I think we can. I'm going to try a little sell right there. Sell stop for a little pullback. I'm in it. Let's see. I'm just looking for a quick 4 points here. $50. Oh, $5. Oh, red. Oh, 15. Let's see. We in the red. 50 in the green.
Push. Oh, goodness. I do like a rejection area like you, brother.
I don't like how we're struggling to pull back here. I might close this trade early. Let's see what this candle does for me. There we go. Oh, you had it. Oh, I had it at 50. I was too slow at this age. My arthritis. This is killing me. I'm trying to click. There we go. Number 4. Cha-ching. So chat, a lot of people always say when they see me scalping for 4 points, they say, Ike, micro scalping. You can't do micro scalping. If you trade with MFF, they don't have a time limit on how long your trade should last. They know, we in a sell. They know that times are not fair in a trade, because what if your trade moves? Like, how could you be penalized because of a trade moving, right? So all they want is minimum of 4 ticks. If you could keep 4 ticks, they're happy. There's no micro scalping. So that's why Ike CT is perfect for that. And you're watching it here live. I'm doing it for you guys.
That might have been a bad sale. I thought it would come down more just to grab. Oh, well, I ain't doing that no more. I thought I could be like you, and they was like, not for him.
Let's play my little violin. It's all right. I'm prune juice on me today. I got
it's all good.
Prune juice is on me.
It's all good.
Might try another Ike CT scalp. One more. Why not? The candle's so nice. We enter it twice. Pause. Maybe. Let's see. See if we can catch one more little scalpy. It's almost quack time, Sud. Sud's dying for an account. Sud, you better, if you win this, you better pass this eval. You better tag us all. Okay, Sud, because the way you wanted to quack, you're ready. You must have like a strategy down pat. You just need the account. Oh, we in a trade. I'm in it. I'm in a quick sell. Oh, we in it. Oh, we still in it. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Pressing the red. Got the red lights going.
Uh-oh.
Oh, red. Oh.
How we doing?
We got the green. We're in the green. I need another few points. Oh, I got it. Another one. Ka-ching.
I'm going too.
Oh,
is he going to do me dirty?
Come on. Let's get that push down. Send it lower. Edna, send it lower.
Come on. Come to Papa.
Come on.
I'm looking forward to come down here and stretch some more down there. We got support. We got a bunch of support and resistance right here.
A bunch of it. I mean, I got another wick rejection area exactly right there where we're hitting right here. This is my only thing that's holding me back is this candle. The 11 o'clock candle did close above my resistance type deal, so it makes me a little feel more bullish. But we got that rejection area. You could still get paid, and it could still run back up, right? You know, the market likes to breathe. The market likes to breathe.
Come on, come to Papa. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I just tried getting out, and he did me dirty. There we go.
Oh, let's get it. Come on.
We got it. To the window, to the wall.
Let's do it. Okay, what we got? Ooh, can we get into wow, look at that pullback over here.
Brother, I so want to get in for another sale to come down here and grab more gaps.
I see it. I feel it. I believe it. I might try a little I might have to try a little ICT, but I'm gonna have to be quick with this one.
Oh, I just tried getting in and then it didn't get in.
I'm gonna try to do quick. Let's see.
I'm in. Oh, it got me in. I got a bad feel.
No. I've been feeling bad since the 90s.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm getting out. I got it. I'm out. Got it.
Paid.
I'm out.
Got him.
Yep.
My ICT's on the 15 minutes, so if I'm looking for a buy, it's all the way down here at 233 right now.
Mm-hmm. You said at what? 233.
233 if I'm looking for a little buy. I need this candle to kind of flip. You know, or a closure or two, or a closure. Don't worry, guys. We got a duck race coming up soon, guys. Make sure you like it and share it.
Brother, if I was gonna get in a buy, you see where mine at on the 5-minute time frame for a gap fill.
Like it. Yep.
I like it at 231 and 246. We gonna see.
Let me get close over here. Zoom into these. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, just like I thought. Price is moving. Just like I thought. The market's open.
Whoa!
You know, sometimes I gotta make sure I'm not dreaming. You know, I was like, wait. See what we got here. If we can get this pushed back up, I'll get in another sell here at the top. I'll do 3. I'll be the candle so nice we entered it thrice. Pause.
Thrice and rice.
Let's see. Also, this 15-minute candle is going to be closing in about 3 minutes. So I'm keeping my eye on that. Let's see, maybe a little sell limit at the top one more time. Let's see. I don't think it's going to be activated before I would cancel it, just because of the time. You know, I don't like to be in it as that candle's closing, but I got it there just in case. So, let us see. I hope you guys have been resting your ducks, because that race is coming up soon.
I might have to get in.
Do I have a halo? Did something happen?
Oh,
at this age.
You deserve it. You've been winning today.
Oh boy.
Got the halo.
Okay, I'm back. Ooh, that was a close one, guys. You know, I know what's gonna happen, but hopefully not on stream.
You can't get out of here yet. You can't do me like that.
That's one way to go viral.
We don't need that.
Let's see. I'm going to let this in another about 30 seconds, because it'll only be about 1.5 minutes left on the candle. I'm going to cancel this order that I have, a sell limit, which would be my third, I think, order that I'd cancel so far on this 40 minutes that we've been together hanging out. So it's like that's how often I cancel trades, because if my trade's not happening, it's not hitting, we cancel it, we wait another 5 minutes for another candle. And at this age, I don't even remember. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we know.
Let's see. Okay. All right, I'm gonna cancel this order, chat. We're not gonna take this one, and we're gonna go see. We're gonna wait for the next candle to form. And my thought going into it, or what I'm looking for, is if we close above this, pretty much this area here, the 268. Based on what the next candle does, if it pushes down first, I would put a buy stop in order to kind of fill this range up, because I still think this range can get filled up. I mean, these wicks are asking for it. This wick from 7 o'clock has been sitting here like, bro, does anyone see me anymore? You know, so I mean, this guy's waiting, and he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. So that's what I'm looking for. A closure above, I'm looking for price to keep going up. If we closing respecting this support, this resistance, then I'm open, of course, for sells to come back down. So, you know, I'm never married to my bias or to what I think, because I believe what I think most of the time is irrelevant. It's irrelevant if I think price is going to go up or down, right? So let me watch a candle close, and then I can make a decision on what to do. I'm waiting for the info.
Oh, we got the duck race. Quack,
We got them ducks.
Where the ducks at? Quack, quack. It's the quackity 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 quackity.
All right, chat. Remember, 1 2 1 2 in the chat. That makes your ducks swim crazy. And I hear it's good for engagement too.
Quack, quack.
I'm gonna go put on my little dancing, my racing music. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everybody.
Hey, 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 hey.
And we got Mr. Beat Straight, Order Flow Master in the crowd. G Bella coming in strong. We got Order Flow Master. There's Sebastian. Oh, everyone's falling back. What's gonna happen? Here it comes. Everyone pressing that 1-2s. Press that 1-2s. Here we go. Final 7 seconds. Here we go. What do we got? We got Bocce Trades, Hindsight Warrior coming in. Hindsight Warrior coming into the finish line. Wow.
He got it.
Wow. And look at that. What's the top 15? How many people over there? We got a lot of winners. Got a lot of winners over there.
All of the winners. Congratulations.
I was rooting for you, Hindsight Warrior. I told you those 1-2s would help. I told you. 1-2. 1-2. There we go.
Congratulations.
So we got this new 15-minute now popping up. You know, I like to give it about 2 minutes to form and do its thing, if you will, the 15-minute. So right now we're only less than 2 minutes into it. So I'm going to give it at least another minute here before we look for another Ike CT entry. Here's my plan.
Right now, I'm not seeing nothing. The trade that I was going to get in was a sale before the duck race came up, and I missed the entry.
I'm still liking the sells. We are kind of in this wick rejection area on the 5 minute. Every time price came into this zone since 8:10 a.m., price fell back down after coming in here. So that's something to think about. If every time price came up here, it pulled back, even if it only pulled back how many points? 276. Even if it only pulled back 15, 20 points. What's wrong with taking 15, 20 points on a 5-minute candle? Nothing for me. I mean, you remember, Corey, we didn't have 15 points in a whole month back when we were growing up and trading.
Who you telling?
He knows it. He knows it.
I got you.
Let's see.
I actually like this sale, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna put a sale stop up.
Okay.
As soon as I tried to get in, it didn't let me in.
And I got a sell limit way back up here at the rejection area, just in case price comes back up. Because I also do like the sells, and I like how every time we come up here, we kind of reject.
I mean, we in a sale.
Everybody who won an account, I want you guys to tag Corey and I on when you pass it, when you're doing your day one. I want to know. We want to know. We want to know.
Tag us in our social media, Twitter and YouTube.
Face space. Tag me in face space, please. Okay?
Oh Lord, I remember face space.
Oh yeah. Or was it my book? I don't know.
I don't know. My book, my journal. I don't know.
Congrats, winner. Congrats, winners. Where else are they giving away this many accounts with duck races all the time? Nobody. Nowhere. Nowhere. So right now, I'm open for the Ike CT. I got my sell limit up there. The one thing that I'm kind of not loving about the Ike CT is this big, long, strong wick.
Pause.
To the left. So I'll tell you what, if this doesn't get filled within the next 30 seconds or so, I'm probably going to cancel it and wait for price to push up a little bit more before I get into it, just because this wick is scaring me. Yeah, I'm going to cancel it, because that's another thing, guys, with Ike CT is, you know, we're risking 5-6 to 1, right? Meaning, like, if you take one L, it could knock out 4 to 5 to 6 depending of your wins, right? So you know that. So if you know that, then when there's something that's giving you a little pause, if you will, just let's wait for another five. Let's wait for a better setup, because it's not worth trying to catch one more W, but instead hitting that L. It's not worth it. So we just wait. We're just gonna pass. Even if this turns into a W, it don't matter, right? Like, let's see. I wouldn't have been in it yet. I had my sell limit at 276.
I lost it. I just took the L. It's okay.
Cut it early.
Yep, I cut it way early, brother.
So right now I would have been in a sell if I left my trade running, but I didn't because of this wick. So let's see. Right now I'd still be in drawdown because I would have gotten in at around 276. I would need about 272 to get out. So right now I would still just be hanging in there pretty much at BE. But either way, we don't care. But if this pushes up to like 280s, I'm going to then put in a sell limit. And I'll take the sell up there instead of down here. Oh, Behram Manuel finished in place 192. I can't believe it. They gave away prizes for the first 191. Oh, yo.
Oh gosh, sorry.
Ben Hur, you gotta catch the next one tomorrow. We're gonna do it again, okay? Tomorrow you can get you'll win it tomorrow.
Another one bites the dust. Sorry.
Sorry about it. So yeah, that trade, if I left that order in, it would have been a W, but that doesn't come into play. Like, that's not going to make me next time that I see a big wick pause like this. It's not going to make me jump in that sell, because one L is not one W is not proving it for me. I need 4 out of 5 W's. That's what I'm looking for. So right now I'm waiting. I'm going to let price push up maybe to the 280s. That's where I would probably look to get into a sell limit, around 280. Give it a shot. I'm actually even putting the sell limit. I want to put it next to where that other wick is on the 5, where we rejected pretty much.
I think I'm going for a buy stop, brother.
Okay. Where, at the break of the candle high, or what are you looking for?
As soon as I try to get in, why it ain't working?
Oh, Trader Darko in the house. What's good, Trader Darko? Friend on Twitter, on X. Good to see you. Good. Ike isn't here today. This is Unc Ike, and but welcome. I'll tell him you sent his regards if I could remember anything. Huh? Stop sign. What stop sign?
I don't hear or see nothing about no stop sign.
Okay, let's see what happens here. I'm going to give this another minute or so to either get filled or not. Pause. And if it doesn't, we're going to cancel it, and we're going to wait another 5-minute candle. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Oh, Mac Trades, what's good? What's good? Great to see you. Great to see you. I haven't seen you since the early 90s when NASDAQ was only trading at like 12.
Oh.
Let's see what's going on. I'm going to have to zoom in over here and see how close my... okay. I needed about a little push up and then a little pull back. That's all we're looking for right now.
So I got a buy limit at 266. I'm looking for it to tack me in, go buy.
See, this issue that we got is this 5-minute. Every time price comes into these 270s, we get that push down, right? Every time so far.
Look at that. You see the buffoonery? Look at this.
It tickled it. It tickled it.
It keep tickling me like Elmer. That tickles. You see this buffoonery, this bologna, 2 hot dogs with stale buns.
They're
no
watching.
ketchup and mustard. That's nasty.
Hey, market makers, stop watching us. We're busy. Stop watching.
On that note, I ain't gonna take no trade. Now, how about them apples? Now what? Now, like my granddaughters always say, clock that T. Now what? Clock that.
Clock it, huh?
I'm gonna do what they do.
Edna, Corey wants us to clock it. Clock it, Edna.
Clock that T, granddaddy. Clock that T.
Identity Gamers 2.0. Funny stream. Never seen this before. What do you mean? It's just two old men trading the NASDAQ since the NASDAQ was made. That's all it is. This is not supposed to be. He's talking funny.
Okay.
Where am I? What? Oh.
Now we did officially get tagged in, but I don't want to trade this right now. I'm good.
Let's see. I'm still.
We
waiting.
good on this.
We good. Still waiting over here. I got my Ike CT sitting over there. I'm open to another Ike CT down here. I just don't need to put the order in yet because it's still 15 points away. So let's see where we get some closures, because that's kind of what tells me which way we're going. And you know, that's all I'm looking for. These 5-minute closures. Are we going to close above to try to fill this range up and get this wick? We're going to close below to come back down to where we keep bouncing from in the 180s. Where are we going to go? Where are we going to go?
That was a good idea, not getting in that trade, brother. Look what happened.
Telling you, this wick rejection zone, when I see a bunch of wicks just standing around, pause, I go the other way. I say, I'm not looking to go to a wick party, you know.
Nope, not me.
Not me. Not me.
We got 416 likes, y'all. Y'all did very good today. Sherman. Good job.
I might try. I might. Let me cancel that order I got at the top. I might just put a little buy limit right here at the bottom, because look what happened every other time, right? Price came down here, gave it a little tickle, and pushed back up. So here we are, just waiting on a tickle.
I don't even want to be tickled. Don't touch my feet. Don't touch my armpits. None of that. Leave me alone.
Leave him alone. He's been tickled enough.
Yep. I don't want to be tickled. Did it hit you yet, brother?
Nah, just sitting there, waiting. Can't find where I put where I wrote down like my win record, and you know I can't remember that. Where I put my.
I don't think you took a loss today. I know that.
No. Oh, there we go. No L's yet. You know, we'll see if I can keep that L, the no L's when I'm walking to the bathroom later. You know.
Bathroom.
Pause. So here's another order I'm about to cancel. This is going to be my 6th order on this stream that I cancel. Just because I place an order doesn't mean we got to fill it. If price starts moving a different way, if it starts acting funny, if we don't like the way it's moving, we cancel. We wait for another trade. We wait for another candle to form. There's no rush. The market is always here. It's almost here too much.
Look at this push right off that same rejection zone.
Yeah, look at that. Every time price is coming here, you already know. See, I might go put that. Go ahead.
No, you good. I was just getting ready to
I'm just going to put that sell limit right back where I had it before at the 80s. So if price does pop back up there, I'll try to catch it again. We'll put it right back there. See what happens. A little push up over here to the 80s. See if we can end this stream with one more dubs. MMNQES, thank you for stopping by. You know, Corey and I do this twice a week, every Monday and Wednesday. We put it on for you. We crush it. We answer any questions you have. We tell you what we're thinking. We show you the W's. We show you the L's. We give you our heart. We do it all for you guys.
You get it all, you see all. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, we almost got the 30-minute candle here, which also means I'm going to cancel this trade in about 10 seconds when there's only a minute left of this candle, because you know I stay away from those 30 minutes. I stay away from those hourly candles. I just don't like them. I don't want nothing to do with them. I don't want to see them. Wake me up when they're gone, okay? I'll just be in my room waiting for that hourly candle to close. I'm about to cancel this sell limit that's sitting here. And that is like the 7th canceled order. But I'd rather cancel 7 orders than take 1 L. So that's what it's about.
I am most definitely done. The Marcus can go kick grass, leave you in the past. Goodbye.
You gonna hop on your YouTube after this?
Oh yeah, man. We're gonna hop on Corey the phone channel.
That's it. Everybody follow Corey. Follow Corey on his YouTube. I'll probably jump by his stream too. If you're looking for something to do, we're done over here today at MFF. But come on, follow Corey, follow me. We're always here to keep the trades going and keep telling you what we know. Share that knowledge. Am I right?
You always right, buddy. Let me ask you this. Do you got anything last words for the viewers and everybody watching? What you got for them?
It's just a pleasure to be here. We're just too blessed to be here. So let's just do it again next week or on Monday, and let's keep it happy. Keep it fun.
All righty. It's always a pleasure streaming with you, brother.
Same. I'll see you chat later, and Corey, we'll do this again on Wednesday. I hope to see everyone there.
See y'all later. Peace. Love y'all.